All right, everybody, it's Doge Day. What is going on with these numbers? We're going to get to the bottom of all this. So stick around and check it out. It is the live stream after our marathon live stream. Go ahead, stick around, say hi, and we're going to get some Dogecoin reggae on here. Change status of all this here.
Dogecoin. Got to buy me some Dogecoin for me. Living in a world of gold and honey. I'm going to hold and buy a yacht. Try and stop me, but it's over not to the Dogecoin. Doge, Doge, Doge.
Welcome.
Doge, Doge, Dogecoin. Dogecoin! I track the coin from dawn till dusk. I wake up at night, tweet and Elon Musk. Dogecoin. Doge, Doge, Doge. Dogecoin. I cut to the girls and they flock to me. They want to be on me whole live stream. I buy it all day and I buy it all night. Tell me it's a joke and we go to have a fight. Dogecoin. Dogecoin. Let's see my money go up. I want to see my Dogecoin money go up. Believe. Got to buy some Dogecoin for me. Living in a world of gold and honey. I'm going to hold and buy a yacht. Try and stop me, but it's all for naught. Dogecoin.
What's up, everybody? What is going on? Let's get to the bottom of this and see what the heck's. So, happy 420. The reggae goes that, and happy Doge Day. Happy 420 Doge Day. Some of us are not happy about this. Look at gotta go down. We can commiserate here, or we can make it go back up. It's also a good time to buy. Now, if you were on the live stream yesterday, then you remember what I was saying. If there's no big news that comes out and the anticipation was up here, and then what happens is down here, that's bad for any kind of traded currency stock. That's just a fact of life. That's what happens. So a lot of hype and a lot of this is going to happen, and then it doesn't happen, like tweets from Elon Musk or whatnot, or Coinbase saying that they're going to list Doge. Still hasn't happened. And I didn't think it was going to happen because it didn't even listed as. As I've said in my videos, I'm not so sure about these rumors, right? And here we are. And so this is really just apathy, which is where people's expectations don't quite match what happens, and the difference is how much apathy you have. Happiness. So I think that's what we're looking at, but it's temporary. It's temporary. So if you haven't sold, you haven't lost any money. Don't lose money or make money until you sell. So if you sold and you made money, good for you. You made some money. If you haven't sold, then you haven't lost any money. The price fluctuates. Also, this was 5 cents a week ago. So I don't know. So Edgar says he's. Oh, I'm gonna say hi to everybody first, and I gotta get some music on. Let's get some music on. We want. Let's. What I So I don't know. My prediction is, I hope it goes up, but at this time, I just want to be here. Support system. I'm still holding. I haven't sold anything today. Not a penny worth of anything today. Nothing. But let me just say hi to everybody. So we got Callum. Oh, he was first. Lori Ward. Tyrese, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Therese. Christopher Trevino. What's the good word? The word is go Doge go. Invest 22. Discount. That's right. What's up, Band of Family? Upside down smiley face. We got Big Q Vlogs. We got Real OG. We got Nick Lockerman. Colby. What's up? Sublime Mad Dog. Christopher Trevino. Colby. Up. All right. Robert Draper. What's happening? Ooh, holding strong. And Joel Leon. Edgar. David C. What's up? Yes, David C. I got your email. I do those payouts in bulk, and I'm going to do some more payouts today. In fact, we have 83 people in here. I'm going to give away money right now. So that's my rule. I usually try and do it for the first 40 people. But so if you're in here and you've never been in here before, I get paid by YouTube when you have an ad in front of the thing, and I give the money back to my subscribers. I'm doing it until I get 50,000 subscribers. So on my way to 50,000 subscribers, make sure you subscribe right now. We're also probably going to hit my 8,000 mark, which means I'm going to give away $100 to one person today. And right now I'm going to give away $10. So let's go ahead and give the money away because, well, giving it to me, so I'm giving it back to you. Right, this is free money, and we're gonna have fun. So somebody, hey, maybe you can make some money back by me giving it to you. YouTube pays me, I pay you. It's like a pyramid scheme circle jerk that works. I get subscribers, and maybe you win money. All right, make sure you subscribe right now, because that'd be rude to win money and not be a subscriber. All right, so I'm gonna type in this. I'm gonna type in Dogecoin go up. Now, only enter it once. Wrong one. Bear with me. Also, let me know what you guys are thinking. So, going to be term is Dogecoin go up. Type it in exactly like I just said it. Yes. You'll be entered. Only enter it once though, because if you enter it like 3 times, it takes you out of the thing. Dardan, you must have bought high. You're not screwed. You just can't sell right away. If you were day trading, yeah, maybe you're. I'm holding for it. Make sure you do it the right way. Dogecoin's one word. What's up, Nick? Yes. And then we'll give out some money. So that's what I'm doing here. I want to give the money out. Haven't had a great day. All right. You know what we're going to get in here? We need Howard. The alien. Calling Howard. Who wants Howard? Find him on my little thing here. Oh, there he is. All right, we got Howard going. Good. Howard's got to bring the price up. Look, as soon as Howard goes in, look, the price goes up. Crazy, right? Dogecoin go up. Dogecoin go up. All right, make sure you give a like. I've got 106 people in here right off the bat in the first couple minutes, and we only got 34 likes. Give more likes, the more people that come in here, the more subscribers you get, and I'll give away $100. What's up, Andrew Jimenez, Eastern High School, Eastern Regional High School. Go Vikings. All right. Mark Morrow, what's up, Matt, Emma Lawrence, Brettel, Nick Vassallo. Oh, let's and I'm gonna go ahead and share this too. Don't mind me. Tweet it out here, and you can retweet it if you want. Follow me on Twitter, at BlueHairDave. About everything. Find my own video. YouTube's just slow. Howard's dancing, so now we're going to have much better luck here. Howard the dancing alien. Oh my gosh.
This is eToro.
Crazy. So you guys tell me, you guys worried or no? You just holding on forever? Tell me what your story is. I'm gonna get to your comments right now after I tweet this. Have some fun in here. Now let me make sure here. Did you enter? Just got in here. Type in Dogecoin go up, right? Dogecoin go up, and you'll be entered to win. You entered to win the $10 I'm giving away. I'm gonna give away more progressively. There's 127 people now. 30 of you entered. Dogecoin go up. Type in, just like I did, Dogecoin go up, and then you'll be entered to win. I'm giving back the money here. Thank you. $10. I'll go up. And if you subscribe, by the way, subscribe so you can win this money. So you'll know about the alert, and so you can contact me to get the money. Subscribe. And if I get the extra subscribers, I am going to give away $100 to one. I need 30 more. I need 23 more subscribers. Go ahead and subscribe. And I'll hit 8,000. Then I'll give away $100 to somebody next. Or later. Wait, next, because I want to give away more. Let's do this. Dogecoin go up. Win some money. So there's a lot of factors that are playing into this, and I'm going to say that this is mostly a result of anticipation not meeting reality. And buy on the rumor, sell on the news. So that's what's going on. I am not selling. I did recoup some of my original investments. It's 40. Being real, and for this exact reason. But I literally am holding this for the next 10 years. Thank you, Past Extinction. What's up? Just subscribe. It's your birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Past Extinction. What's up, Guacaholic? Look, it works. See, Howard. And we put in Dogecoin go up, and it is now going up. Go ahead and put on the 5-second one. Ajita. It's going up now. There we go. I'll even put the tennis ball up. All right, so we're contest. Last chance to enter. Type in Dogecoin go up, and it'll automatically enter you to win $10, and then I'll give it away. Got 10 seconds. And also, give me a like if you think. Spent a lot of money on this hair dye. All right, I'm setting off a bull run. Some run, huh? Go Doge. There you go. Finally. There you go. Dogecoin go up. You win money. Don't enter it more than once, though. All right. There we go. There we go. Oh, we almost got 200 people in here now. So we're only here, what, 10 minutes? Let's go. Build this up. I'm going to give this money. Thank you, Dominic O'Connor. I appreciate that. Homer's Reluctant Honesty back in the room. Oh, B.O. Cheer up, B.O. Cheer up. All right. Dogecoin go up. And you'll be entered to win some money. And then make sure you give a like. Thank you. And subscribe, by the way. You can't win because you got to check out my About page. And then you got to be subscribed to find out the contact info. And then I'll send you the money. Cash. PayPal, Zelle, or Venmo. All right, here we go. Last chance. Dogecoin go up. And way to go. 69th like. Matt Carlson. All right, here we go. Well, I'm going to give away more money, so don't worry if you miss this one. And the real OG wins. Real OG. Hope you're subscribed. Be so rude if you weren't. All right. Here we go. Email me at dave@bluehairdayplan.com or go to my About page. Find my email. Email me and say, hey, it's real OG. You owe me $10. I've got it recorded right here. So good. All right. Make sure. Congratulations, Real OG. Let's give Real OG a round of applause. All right. Fake round of applause. All right. Now we got a bunch of viewers in here. I'm going to give away $100 now. Look, first of all, we caused the price to go up since Howard's been dancing. The price has gone up. Look at this. This is our mark. This is when we played. We just did this when we said Dogecoin go up. So now we're going to go from 30 to 40 cents. I'm not a prognosticator. I wish, though. It just shoot up. Price. See? Went up 3 cents. Here we go. All right. We keep thinking good vibrations. The reason this happened too, and this is why I think there's going to be a bounce back. What happened is like I said, the anticipation of all the Elon's going to tweet and Elon's going to buy $1 trillion worth of Dogecoin, whatever these rumors were, they don't come true. Then people say, "Oh no," they get discouraged. Then they sell. Okay, it's a buying opportunity for everybody who's in this long term. That's cool. You do what you like, right? But if you sell at a loss, you lose your money. So buy low, sell high. Does average cost matter on the money you make? Well, it can, yeah. It can. Blue hair, Doge care. What's up, Paul D? It depends on how much money you make, really. So the lower the better. But if you don't have the buy-in at the higher, then you don't make any money, right? So depends on what you want to do. All right. Did the stoners just forget to buy Doge? Maybe. They got so high that they forgot to they just forgot. They passed out on the couch watching Scooby-Doo. That was all there was to it. So don't sweat it. Don't sweat it at all. Look, the price is going up. Now we're going to even head towards 31 cents. Now think about it. 31 cents. Holy moly, right? Holy moly. Holy moly. I'm going to go check my subscribers. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you can give a like right now. If you don't like this before you leave, then you just unlike it. I don't care. But give me a like right now. Then we'll get more people in here and I can give away more money. Because I literally want to give you more money. Right? That's my aim. And if I hit 8,000 subscribers, I'm going to give away another $100. I gave away $100 last night. And I've gotten 1,000 subscribers since then. I need 20 more subscribers to hit my goal to give you $100. Ask me some questions. I'll answer them. This is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only, so don't sue me. You heard it. No, Elon did not tweet anything. And Tesla didn't buy a Doge rocket. So this has left the whole Elon thing a long time ago. Elon Musk didn't make this go to 30 cents. He made it go from 2 cents to 5 cents, and then maybe to 7 cents once. The rest is on us and the community and the people buying this. And then this is what you have. So this is a buying opportunity for people. Good. The price is going up since we've joined each other. We all got on here together. Howard, the dancing tweaker alien, started dancing, and now the price is going up. Now it's at 31 cents, going to 32. The head game. Don't let the anxiety get to you. Why is it crashing? Why are they selling? No, it's going up right now. The price has been going down because retail people have paper hands and they're chicken shit, and they're selling because they're expecting Coinbase to list, which hasn't gonna happen yet. It's probably gonna happen in the future. Second, Elon Musk was supposed to tweet something or buy a bunch of whatever. He hasn't got into this since it jumped up. It's too expensive for him to buy a bunch anyway at this point. Right? At 5 cents, it maybe made sense for him to buy them. Okay? Third, it's really just a matter of anticipation, right? So, Slim Jim giving some money to charity is not going to cut it for making this thing jump up 20 cents. That's what I'm saying. Yeah, don't stress over the misguided key is right. Stressing over the minutes charts doesn't matter. I have it on not just minutes, but 5 seconds for drama, right? But if we go back out and look at it over, what's this day, a 5-day period. Oh my. It doesn't look quite as scary, does it? Look at that. I mean, sure, there's a little hump here, but that's not even a bubble bust, right? So don't let it bother you. Look how far up it's going. Now, if you bought up here, I mean, sure, maybe. But on the day, look at it. It's not that bad. It's just kind of cruising down. Cruising down. Cruising on down in my... Nope. Right? All right, there's 420 people in here. There's 420 people in here. I'm going to give away 20 bucks. 25 bucks. How about that? 25 bucks. Here is how to do this. Make sure you subscribe. So I'm going to give away 25 bucks to somebody in the room, and we're going to let Nightbot pick. I need you to give me some likes here. Hand him back money. So give him some likes. Thank you. Just got 15 likes like all of a sudden. So we just had 420 concurrent viewers. And I'm going to give some money away. All right? Here's how you win. Type this word once. It's a phrase. Type it only once. Only once, all right? Because they'll kick you out and make you ineligible if you type it more than once or twice, whatever. Ben J, yes, you can call in just a little bit. We're going to... Okay. And so type in Dogeday. One word, Dogeday. And you'll be entered to win the 25 bucks. All right? All right. Bowdo's down 8 grand on this 420 scandal. It's scandalous. It's scandalous. We got 160 likes. I know we can do better than this. I dyed my hair for this. I deserve a like. Okay? We type it in once. This is for 25 bucks. I'll give it to you in Zelle, PayPal, or Venmo. And people ask... why do I give away cash? Well, tax. Can't really write off sending people Doge. If I figure that out, I'll do that. But I like having the receipt and everything. All right. Look, the price is going up towards 31 cents. Because of you people. Back to the 5 seconds. Go. All right. That should be good. Is everybody in? Is everybody in? And don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to not win the money, okay? Because how else are you going to notify me if you didn't subscribe about the money? Go ahead and subscribe. All 400 plus of you. What's up, Mitch? Is that Mia Khalifa? I don't know. Is it? I don't know who you're talking about. Thank you, like and sub. I appreciate it. Thank you. All right, we're 5 short likes. Give me 5 likes and we'll get this. There's a giveaway right now. Type in Dogeday. You'll be entered to win, but only do it once because Nightbot picks you out. And it's not even nighttime for me. It's daytime, so it should be called Daybot, but it's called Nightbot. What's up, Morocco? Dustin, GR Bishop, Evan Greenwood, Brendel Mitchell. What's up, Mitch Washington? The Upper Decks. Beagle. Xavier, what's up? You guys are all in, all right? Mr. Zeus, Shannon Morgan, Lucas, Oates, Sergio, Tony. There we go. Now we got people joining. Thank you. And if I hit my subscribe, I'm going to give away 100 bucks if I hit 8,000 subscribers. So, and I'm like 20 people away. So it's kind of a no-brainer for you guys to go subscribe. Kind of a no. All right. Probably going to hit my goal. I will do that in the next probably 30. Wait, $100 to one person. $100. This is for 25 bucks. Type in Dogeday. I want to give everybody a chance to win this, all right? Only enter it once, though. Did I make 8,000? Woohoo! Somebody's going to win $100 in here today. Somebody's going to get $100 live. Live. That's cool. All right. Shrink myself. You don't need to see me in the corner. Bing, bing. Happy Doge Day. All right, so people are asking. I don't pick the winner, but we're now at 30.5 cents, which is up from where we just were when we started this, which is awesome. So if you're wondering why it didn't do well today, it's because people waited to see things they expected to see, and the things they expected to see did not occur. So therefore, people sell and they go, I'm over this. I personally don't care because I'm holding for a long time. Now, if you're day trading and you bought at 40, problems maybe. So I feel for you. That is a problem. But if you don't sell, you haven't lost the money. You only realize a gain or a loss when you sell. Oh yes, and Weeble, yes, Brew, you're correct. Weeble now get Doge through Weeble. That today. But that wasn't even enough. Didn't mean anything. Look, we just went to 31 cents. We have gone up 5 cents since we've been on here. Now, imagine if we were on here at 5 cents 2 weeks ago. For all you old timers who were on here like a couple months ago on Dave's Doge Den, and it was at 5 cents and it jumped up to 10 cents. From 5 cents to 10 cents, people will be losing their goddamn minds. And we just made a 5-cent jump while we've been on here. 26 minutes. All right, and all 500 or 800 of you that's in here, whatever it is, the number. Okay, so all right, Doge Day. It's one word. Type in Doge Day, one word, and then I'm gonna pick the winner. So don't worry, don't get scared. You don't sell, you didn't lose it. If you bought it with money that you couldn't afford to risk, that's on you. That's a bad idea. Don't do that. But I think Coinbase will list Doge eventually. Not happening today, I can tell you that. I hope, maybe I'm wrong. But think about this. Say we settle around 35 cents, and then 2 weeks from now, Coinbase lists Doge. That's a push to 50 cents, right? Percentage-wise, probably. That's great. All right, I'm giving away 25 bucks. You just got to type in Doge Day. We got 800 plus people here and only 255 likes. I'm insulted. Ask me some questions about what's going on here. What do I think? I'll answer your questions. Involves Doge or anything else. I really give me a like though. I'd appreciate a like. Thank you. Just some states don't allow crypto yet. That is true. Texas can't do some trading on there. All right. So is everybody entered? When you enter it more than once, you get disqualified by the machine. Just what do I think the high will be today? I was calling for 50 cents. But I also said it could break either way from 40. And if none of the stuff happened, like none of the tweets and all that stuff, Coinbase didn't list, which I didn't anticipate. This was going to happen. It was going to kind of go down or just kind of fizzle down. If all that stuff did happen, it might go up to 50 cents. I think at this point, people realize it's late in the day. None of that stuff's going to happen. The losses we've already seen have happened. So I think that was a buying opportunity for people who, like me, are in this long haul. All right, I'm going to do the winner right now. It's for 25 bucks, Doge Day. Make sure you're subscribed. If you forgot to subscribe or like, do that now so that you get the money. All right? I want to give you the money if you win. Change your mind and you realize that you don't want to continue this relationship with me, then you can always unsubscribe. It won't hurt my feelings. The more subscribers I have, the more money YouTube pays me. I get more views, and then more money I give away. I don't need the money. All right? Some of you need a little more than me right now. Look, it's up. We're going to go hit 32 cents in a second. That. Look at that. All right, Doge Day, it's one word. All right, there you go. Okay. All right. Don't forget our Discord. Let me announce the winner, then I'll tell you about our Discord. And the winner is... Oh, it's still counting people. Sorry. Nightbot's catching up. There's so many people that entered. You know what amazes me is that we literally have 800, 900 people in here and only 300 of you entered. But hey, that's good for the 300. Boom. All right. Roll it. Jessica Garland won. Jessica Garland. All right, Jessica. Congratulations. Jessica Garland won. Email me, dave@bluehairdayplan.com, or go to my about on my thing. Good, you heard me. You might be the world's prettiest dude. Go to my about page and email me and say, hey, it's Jessica Garland. I won $25. And you're down. You get $25. I'm gonna give away $100 next, and everybody is still eligible. I'm gonna do the same thing with Word. So congratulations, Jessica. Hopefully that helps. Hopefully you made some money on Doge today, or all together. Now we have 945 people. So let's go. Ask me some questions. What do you want to know? What do you want to talk about? Let's get into it. And we also hit 8,000 subscribers. So broker, if people want to talk, we'll have them on in a little bit, actually. So we can get that set up sooner rather than later, I think. If you're listening, let's hear it for broker. Bio. All right, Dominic O'Connor, what's up? Okay. All right, we got 1,000 people in here, so that's gonna help. Make sure you subscribe so you can win some money. Let's talk Doge. Oh, I gotta set a little limit on the thing here. Going a little quick for the chat. Let's see what happens here. Is it possible for Dogecoin to hit $50? No, not as is. That is not possible mathematically. Juan says, hold, a-holes. I agree. And Daddy, you should go handle yourself. All right. Said he was horny. We have almost 1,000 people in here right now, which is awesome. And all right, here we go. Boom. I didn't watch anything on the Skinwalker Ranch. I'm sorry, Pierre. I will watch that. In case you guys are new to this live stream, we get crazy and we do weird stuff and we talk about weird stuff, and we have a Discord, and the Discord is in the description, so you can check out the Discord. And I give away money, and the reason I give away money is because, well, I want to buy friends and subscribers. Be honest up front with our relationship. But YouTube pays me money, and until I get 50,000 subscribers, I am going to try and give away a good portion of that money back to the subscribers, because I don't need it. And they actually pay me pretty well. If I have 1,000 people in here right now, like, I'll make some money. And so every 1,000 subscribers, I give away $100 to one person in the room, and in between I give away 10, 20, 25 bucks. And so that's why I'm giving money away. You can benefit from it. And we talk about Doge. We talk about all kinds of crazy stuff. It's at 31 cents right now. We talk aliens. We talk whatever. So make sure you give us a like, and we'll keep talking about all this. Why it can't go to $50? Because the amount of money that would need to go for it to go to $50 would be more than like is spent entirely on the world. So if you wanted to go to $50, and I'm just doing the math in my head randomly, might be way off on this, but you would literally need to have, like, everybody just spends all their money on Dogecoin instead of buying anything else. It's a lot of money. The market cap would be ridiculous. Yes, and good talk about Dogecoin payments being accepted. Yes, that is true, and it does help a lot. We have over 1,000 viewers here right now. It's awesome. So this stuff matters. I picked the Nightbot picks the winner. It's random, so whoever types in the phrase I say, it picks automatically. It just picks from one of those people. And believe it or not, only 300 of you typed in the word, and were eligible. So I don't know why that. So we just got enough subscribers. Hey, and if I get another 1,000 subscribers, I'll give away another $100. That's the rules. That's what I say. So I just got 8,000. If I get 9,000, then give away another $100. And holy crap, we just got 200 subscribers in like 10 minutes. So I think it's possible the next 30, 40 minutes that we can give away another 100. But I haven't even given away the $100. Should I do that now? Do you guys want $100? If you want $100, me to give it away right now in the next like 10 minutes, just say yes. I wait longer. I'll play Dogecoin Reggae in a little bit too if enough people. I want people to leave. Thank you for subbing. If you're subscribed, you can win some money. And I do this every night, by the way. We come on. Last night we were up late. We talked about all kinds of crazy stuff late into the night because it was like a marathon. 7 or 8 hours we were on here. And the name of the indicator is Trading View. There's a link in my description. Get a discount too if you use my link. Affiliate marketing. All right. So, okay. I get the point. I'm gonna give away $100 right now. And if I get more if I get 700 plus subscribers, I'll give away another $100. All right. So here's for the $100. I gotta think of a phrase. What should the phrase be? All right, I'm gonna have a phrase now. How high could this go is what somebody's asking. Well, I'm gonna say that let's get to $1 and see what happens. One thing at a time, okay? All right, I'm gonna do the $100 giveaway now. Very early in the show because I got 1,000 subscribers. It's totally possible if everybody in this room subscribes right now that is not a subscriber, which is 75% of you. Let's see the stats. I'll be able to give away another $100. Perfect. You are. Everybody who's in here subscribed is eligible for the $100. But you have to type in the phrase I'm going to give you. So. All right, I'm going to give you the phrase right now. But make sure you like and subscribe. Okay? Like and subscribe. Thank you, Jeff. I appreciate it. We got some people who've been here since the beginning. And we also talk about other stuff besides Dogecoin, but we started off as the Dogecoin, but we get into some cool stuff. We have guests on and we have a Discord. And in that Discord, we're going to talk. We'll have a couple of you guys on. So also, if you want to talk with me and the audience, over 1,000 people, let us know. And in the Discord, get a hold of Broker and he will be able to help you out. Get you on. I think he might be out in the phone looking some cows. All right. So this chat's going so quick. So here's the phrase. Only enter it once. If you enter it more than once, Nightbot will take you out of the drawing. That's a legit thing, okay? So basically, if you start spamming the phrase, it takes you out. And now here's the phrase. Only enter it once. All right. It wasn't a planned trap. It was just people trying to get likes and stuff with their videos and typing something up that wasn't going to happen. Look, we just hit 32 cents. 32 cents. It just went up almost 6 cents since we've been on here. 6 cents. That's a good amount of money. All right. And Daddy's still horny. Here's the phrase for $100. Only enter it once. I've warned you. There you go. We love Dogecoin. Don't spell Dogecoin as 2 words. It's 1 word. Okay. There you go. No! Don't type it only enter it once. You guys are funny. It's called We Love Dogecoin. There you go. All right. I'm going to sit back, for just like 5 seconds while you guys type this in, because I'm gonna have a seizure looking at this. I'll be back in like 1 minute. All right, just listen to the music because I need to get a drink. I'm gonna do. I'll be back. I'm gonna get a drink. Like 2 minutes. I'm back. All right, does everybody enter it? We love Dogecoin. It's 3 different words. Also. Okay, so let's get this going. We love Dogecoin, and to enter, we only have 628 likes. So not everybody who did it hit a like and subscribe. I know these things. Make sure you subscribe if you want to win this money. It's $100. And then if enough people are subscribed, I'll give away another $100. We're literally 500 and some short. We just got 350 new subscribers. So go ahead. Don't be afraid. Don't be shy. I won't hurt you. I swear. I'm not like other guys. It's different. All right. Type in "We love Dogecoin" if you just came in to win $100. But you have to be subscribed and you need to like. Well, you need to be subscribed. It'd be nice if you like. All right, we'll pop this bad boy off. And the more people that come in, the more subscribers get, the more money I'm going to give away. This one's for $100. And Dogecoin is kind of going up right now. So we've already gone up 5.5 cents since we started this. Thank you, Digital Jesus. Thank you. Thank you, Dogecoin, Dark Funlow. It's Santosh. Kyle, what's up? Why does this feel more like a casino? I'm giving away money just to do a solid to everybody because I'm just taking the proceeds from my YouTube ads and giving them back. That's what I'm doing. And there's only so much we can talk about. The reason that Dogecoin didn't do great today is because there were expectations up here and none of the stuff that people were saying came true. So that's what happened. That difference makes people want to kind of dish out a little bit and sell. But it only, it went down like 0.25%, but look how far it's gone up lately. So we got it. That's right, BK. Good vibes. We need to have good vibes on this. Good vibes make this go up too. And if you think I'm kidding, just see what happens when you start using some good vibes. And if it does go down, well, screw this chart. Screw it. All right. We can get to $1. Oh. All right. You guys ready? Thank you very much, Roy Haber. I appreciate that. We love you back. We love you back. Me and my team here. We got the admin. We got some moderators extraordinaire in here. Oh, let me see what we got here. All right. Friend request. Don't forget, go to the description and join the Doge Den, and we can get crazy in there. I'm gonna. At my streamer. Able streamer mode. All right, go to my live chat. We're gonna have folks on here. Do you want to talk with me? Does anybody want to talk with me? Funky in here. All right. We love Dogecoin. Last call to win the $100 drawing. We just got a couple hundred people in here, so I'm gonna give you one last chance. We love Dogecoin. Type it in, and that automatically enters you to win the $100 I'm giving away right now. $100. Cool. Thank you for subscribing. And if we get another 400 subscribers, I'm going to give away another $100. I think that's doable. Totally doable. Because why not give you the money? Buy Doge or buy some games. All right. You guys ready? And only enter it once. When you enter it more than once, you're disqualified by the Nightbot. I don't make that up. So only enter it once. I think some of you are entering it more than once, and that's going to make you the bot literally kicks you out. Okay. Mr. Zeus says a lot of people getting railed by a dog today. I don't think that's legal in the U.S. But I guess if you do the right Google. Okay, last chance. Don't enter it more than once. If you enter We Love Dogecoin more than once, Nightbot takes you out. I'm just gonna pick the winner. All right. Make sure you're subscribed, because if you win and then you're not subscribed, well, that sucks, right? You guys ready? Here we go. Too late. Stop entering the words, because now we're done. Drum roll, please, for $100 I'm giving away. Nightbot is tallying. Got some late entries. I don't choose who wins. I'm literally looking at a piece of software that picks this. Can you hold Doge long term? I don't give financial advice. I'm holding it for a long time. Here we go. The winner is Melissa Oliver. What? Is this like models watch her Dave Day? So Melissa Oliver. I swear I'm not picking the pretty ladies on purpose. The Nightbot picks. Email me at dave@bluehairdayplan.com. Let me know you're the $100 winner. I've recorded your username, and I'll send the money either Zelle, PayPal, or Venmo. All right? So let me know that you've won, Melissa Oliver. Just type woohoo or yes or something. I'll know that you and that you heard me. But if you didn't catch my email address, you can go to my about on the channel, because you're subscribed, right? That's how you won. And then you go to the about page, and then I didn't pick the hot. I swear I didn't pick the hot girls. Nightbot picked them. Maybe Nightbot's got a thing. I don't know. Yeah, the app picked them. Maybe there's just like hundreds of beautiful women in this. Go to the about. My email's in there. There you go. Go to the about. Email's in there. Just be like, hey Dave, I won $100 on 420. And then how you want me to send the money. She's here. She said awesome thing. All right. So let's talk. We're done with the I Love Dogecoin. We've already given $100 away. But there is chance to, I'm going to give away more cash in a little bit. I took up too much. Talk more Doge. And I also want to get some callers on to talk with me about Doge, what's going on, what they think is happening. and we can get you on our Discord. So join the Discord. It's in the description. If you're into Discord, then we can get some callers on. Is Ben J still around? I'm in the live room now, and I think Broker. Are my mods in here? There's a way to look at that. What's up? What's up, Charles? So, what did you guys think about the Slim Jim? They're giving money to charity, which is cool. I thought they were gonna have some kind of like Dogecoin party pack or something going on, and charity. Is that what they did? But all I saw was like they were giving charity. Let me go take a look at other things. Like here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin's having a slight little rally. Okay, just gonna go through here because people care. Cardano looking a little bit better too. BTT, like it kind of settled down a little bit. BTT, the Korean boy band. X. All right. GameStop down 3%. Doge hovering at 30 cents, 31 cents. It's not a terrible day, Logan. It's not a terrible day. Logan Whaley from New York City, musician. Check out his YouTube page. He's got some cool songs on there. Cold as snow. Remember, see, Logan? I remember. Nathan says, y'all buying this shit coin? I'm holding it. Holding it. I bought a lot earlier, so. I don't think it's was it beat though. Logan, you're welcome. I don't know, 30 cents is about. Look at that. If you would have bought it at 27 cents, it was just up 6 cents. So all right, I'm gonna take callers if anybody wants to get on. Oh, we got a guest ready. Perfect. Send him in and let's talk. This will be great. All right, we'll talk. Who's my guest? We'll send him in, and I guess we'll find out, right? Broker, send him in. And then I'll give away some money a little bit, and then if we hit 9,000, then I'm going to go ahead and give away another $100. When I see them come in, I'll get them on. Yep, they cash out and leave everybody holding the bag. I don't think that's happening here. Oh, it's Ben J. All right.
Hey,
Ben.
how are you?
What's up? Good. Let me turn the music down. Off. All right. What's up, Ben?
Yo, it's been a tough day for everyone, I suppose, especially for the new guys.
Yes, I think it is. People who bought in higher probably not happy about.
Yeah, but guys, take it as a lesson, a tough lesson. I bought my first batch at 6.2, and then it went down pretty much to 3.8. That's what, almost 50%. So it's just like a lesson learned. But at the same time, guys, just hold it. It will come back. It will come back. Thinking. I promise you that. Yo, did anyone see the new egg, that technology company? So now you could buy computers and high-tech stuff. Just let it settle down for a few days. Don't even worry about don't worry about it.
Yeah. I think that Newegg kind of blew an opportunity because there's too much going on around Dogeday and everything gets buried, like Slim Jim stuff. And like, I think if there was smart marketing perspective, that they would have waited until like a week from now, then done it. And then it would have, it would have helped the price a lot and they would have got better press from it because it's too much going on today.
You just made a great point, and I think that's what we're going to see next week is like all these corporations come in because they want their time in the spotlight like Slim Jim did. I think they doubled their Twitter following, something like that. Yeah. I mean, so if they announce it right now, it's like there's too much going on, there's too much chaos. So guys, next week I think you could expect huge things.
Yeah, I agree. And because they'll come in and say the day, right? So say it keeps hovering around 30, 35 cents, right? And what's going to happen is then it just kind of sputter in. People don't want to sell because they don't want to realize a loss. I think that most people have already trimmed to get their original investment if they're in like in the 5 cents crew, right? The 0.002 people have. Well, we've discussed this in the Discord, right? So
I know I paid a price, guys.
Investing 101. Investing 101. If it jumps up 900%, you get your original out, and then you just let the rest ride, and you have nothing to worry about. Right?
But you think of the short-term capital gains, and I'm on Robinhood, so I can't just put in a USD coin or anything. So it's like, ugh, when you're talking about like 30%, I'm in New Jersey, so I pay extra taxes. Come on.
Yeah. So, but if say this just stagnates for a week or two, and then somebody comes out and they're like, all right, we're going to do this, we're going to do that. And like, they could have done that. Newegg could have done that. And they would have got a ton of new followers. Wouldn't have been buried in the sand kind of, but hey,
listen,
so
I
Justin
actually
wants,
think it was getting too chaotic though. Like people are wondering like why Musk didn't tweet today. I think it would be irresponsible for him to tweet in a way because it was just getting way too chaotic. Kids were putting in their college funds, life savings. It could have been a PR disaster for him if it went from 0.90 to 0.30 after. I just don't think that would have been good for his business. It would have been good for his image. So I'm actually not that surprised he didn't put a tweet on 420 day.
Yeah. I'm not surprised either. And I was worried about, somebody sent me money and thank you very much. I didn't see that come through. So if I missed somebody's chat revenue thing, I'm really sorry. Maybe I was out of the room or something. So Charles Hoskins says Doge is a fake bubble. I saw an article where somebody said that, and I'm guessing it was him. Pokemon Rorgasm, thank you. Thank you for the tips. By the way, tipping is sexy. Thank you. And I don't know. People just like to hate. Okay, is it a fake bubble Ponzi scheme? No, it's something that people are trading. It's a currency. It's just like anything else. So if this is a Ponzi scheme, so is the US dollar, right? So
why not hate on Bitcoin or Litecoin? It's just a fork of Litecoin with little inflation.
Yeah.
He kept going after the fact that it's inflationary. It's inflationary. Okay, so it's not an elitist coin. It has 2% fixed inflation rate over time, which decreases. I don't see the problem. So the coin will reach $1 instead of 56,000. What's the big deal? It's just a store of value, a first-gen coin. And some companies are taking it. I don't see it as being he's right about one thing, though. Musk was being a little irresponsible, potentially, so that could attract regulators. If the coin completely crashes, that might have been a valid point.
Yeah. So, I agree. We just hit 32 cents, and we're going up. So this day is not over. It's going to happen. I think what's happening right now as we speak is tactical analysis, even though this is for entertainment purposes only. Don't sue me. This is not what's going on is the expectations people had were up here because the Coinbase is going to list secretly, even though they literally gave us a list of everybody they were considering of adding in the next month or two. Dogecoin wasn't on that list, right? So Coinbase is going to list us, and then Elon Musk is going to have a tweet. Like, what could he have possibly tweeted in the first place that would have changed these things? And so you literally have hundreds of thousands of Dogecoin people for the last 4 days thinking that Elon Musk was going to tweet something and somehow it was coming out of the sky and the Jesus or something so. I don't understand. I think this is past Elon's tweets anyway at 32 cents, and I think at 10 cents he's fucking out of there as far as trying to
exactly
because it'd be irresponsible. And what could he have done? Built a rocket out of Dogecoin or something?
Some of you guys are new, but when we were at 5 cents, listen, he would tweet even with the moon tweet, which was huge. We'd go up to 6.6 and then be down in 8 hours. We'd come right back to where we were. It happened 20, 30 times. He is not going to be able to push us to 32 cents with a tweet. But what he can do is if he were to offer Teslas with Dogecoin, which could be symbolic in a way, that would push us up for sure.
Yeah.
But at the same time, did you hear about the accident that happened yesterday with the Tesla car?
Yeah, but they're not sure what happened. Tesla's arguing that wasn't on autopilot, whatever.
I think also he might, due to that, he's just staying a little quiet for, I don't know. It might not look great to be ranting about Dogecoin when two people get in an accident in your perfect car. Do you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I think there's a little bit of a professional thing. I when I saw that yesterday, I kind of felt like he'll probably be quiet about trolling for a few days.
Yeah. Yeah. I agree. Too hot for him to get in there. He's got too much riding on other things, right? So he's more right about Bitcoin, even though what he bought in the 30s, right? January when
Listen, Doge is taking Bitcoin spotlight. They're not that different, you know. Like one guy like said it kind of as a joke. Who was I watching that said it as a joke? Oh, it was BitBoy Crypto. He says, you know, he saw like a research. He was in a research group, and the guy, one of the researchers, sarcastically said, "What if Doge really starts taking away market share from Bitcoin?"
Mhm.
Listen, it's
Yeah.
possible. They're the same damn thing.
Yeah.
One has a little inflation, but if you have enough people in it, does the inflation really matter that much?
And let's be honest. I mean, the majority of money coming in here is probably people day trading on these swings. I would have to guess. And you know, as much as everybody wants everybody just to buy and hold, I'm gonna guess that 60-70% of, you know, because you need millions to really make a lot of money. You know what I mean? To do that, but there's still a bunch of retail guys that are doing that. I feel like, you know, that money's going to stick around because there's the volatility is good for that, right? So this is still an attractive coin. And here, people are like crying about it's at 30. It might go up to 33 cents right now. 5 cents a week ago, right? A little over a week ago.
It's crazy.
5 cents. So I understand if you bought it at 35 or 40. Well, wait for that. It was dipping even those days. You should have just waited 12 hours. Be up right now.
Exactly.
Sorry, but you know, buy low, sell high. I think that's a good idea for technical analysis. You can never go wrong.
Or
with
just
that
learn.
one.
You know, just learn your lesson. Don't do it again, and that's it. We all done it. I sold at 0.27. I was like, oh, this thing's topping out. 2 seconds later, it was 0.45. I just took a little money out. You just learn from it. That's it.
Yeah, I set my orders just under 40 cents, just for some of my original expense.
How do you know?
That's it. What?
Oh, you just wanted your money back. You didn't even care if it went
Yeah,
out.
I said if it does this while I'm sleeping or I'm not paying attention, I just wanted to, you know, and I won't hate myself for just recouping my money, right? And so I could sleep at night. I'm not worried about it. But here's the thing: I'm not worried about it anyway because it's not like I was counting on a couple hours worth coming back at me.
Yeah.
Not that big of a deal, but you have substantial. I'm not going to say unless you say it, but you have substantially more at risk here. So, what are you at? You want to tell everybody? I mean, like, so.
Yeah, I turned. Listen, I won't even lie. I had unemployment checks and I had stimulus, and I turned that into. At one point, when we're at 0.39, 0.40, I had like 100,000 in Dogecoin.
Uh-huh.
You know, that we're talking like times 8.
Yeah.
I mean, so that for me that was significant money, but at the same time, you have to be rational about it. We're going back up there. This amount of press will not die. Like it's in the conscious of every person on earth at this point. Like my parents know about it. They don't know anything about crypto, but they know about Dogecoin. It's ridiculous. I don't speak about it with them. Guys, this is going up, but it just won't be one straight up spike. Do you even want a straight up spike up? Then you're gonna be like, do I sell now? Do I sell now? Like a little some consolidation on the way up is all right, guys. And maybe you could trade for coins while it's consolidating. It's just more natural and organic.
Yeah, and it's
even
less
though
of
this
a
isn't
chance
natural
of,
organic.
well, it's a less chance of a really big bubble popping, right? Even though we have an, I don't believe that this is a bubble territory necessarily, even though that is a risk and people will get hurt if that happens. But I feel like this is just like a stepping ladder, right? So we just hit a plateau, we go up, we climb part of the mountain, we plateau, we go up. That's what I'm hoping for. So I guess that's what I'm seeing, because I hope that's what happens, because I'm holding, full disclosure, I own Dogecoin and I want it to go up, right? So I think we all do, well, most of us, instead of the haters on here who are angry because whatever other coin they invested in, they was jealous.
There's too many damn coins at this point. I can't even like focus on all the other ones. It's like VeTane, this. I'm like, oh, I'll just focus on one. I don't think it even matters that much if you understand the mechanics of the coin. Like if you know how to properly trade a coin, you can make money with any of them.
Yeah. And it's just
because
numbers.
They move together. They move together anyway half the time. I'm not talking about Doge, but I'm talking about if you look at the charts, they're like for the past few months, they were moving together.
Yeah. They have been in general, and a lot of the other, they follow each other pretty much. it's not really even like rocket science. Here's the thing with stocks, right? There is some underlying financial underpinnings of what the company's doing. But the stock market and what companies are actually doing left each other, I don't know, 20, 30 years ago. Stock market's way overvalued for what the companies actually do and produce. They're supposed to predict about a year in the future. I think everybody kind of predicts like 10 years in the future. So they lost touch with reality a long time ago. And the cryptocurrency in general, as much as people want to talk about it, and this coin is going to do this, this is going to do that, I don't think it's really just a matter of speculation. And most of the money in here is just people having easy money on speculation. So if you're somebody who's managing $100 million, you're going to take $3 million out and you're going to play around with Dogecoin like it's child's play all day long, and you're going to make a ton of money. So that's what a lot of this is going on. Then there's retail people like us that are just saying, hey, there's big potential for this to go up. People are excited about it. It doesn't matter if it goes up because of press. It doesn't matter if it goes up because people think the dog's cute, right? It doesn't matter because that's how almost every cryptocurrency goes up. It's somebody hypes it. This technology is going to do this and that. Even the technologies never even get that readily used for almost any coin, right? It's always the news about it maybe being adopted. The hope that people invest in.
Do you remember the Mark Cuban? Mark Cuban, there was a news feed. There was like a tweet. He did it in a tweet. The Dallas Mavericks are now accepting Dogecoin. It was huge, and we went down. Like you would think we'd go up. We went down with every other coin. It didn't matter. We went from 6 to 4.5 or something. It didn't make a difference that Mark Cuban just accepted Dogecoin. It was like the first major corporation to accept it.
Yeah.
So, but at the same time, we have all these use values now with BitPay and with all these other places. I mean, you can't say it's just a meme coin anymore. I don't know why I keep seeing that. It's a Bitcoin with a dog on it, okay, with an inflation rate.
Yeah. Yeah.
Can that move on? Can we move on from that? It's like one thing I want to bring back when you talk about the stock market. Everyone in crypto knows how rigged that is. It's all insider trading. You see it with the congressman. Every day it's someone else who's insider trading. For the little guy with the little retail money, crypto's the way to go. Because exactly, it's speculation, but it's not based off information that you don't have access to.
Exactly, because everybody has the same amount of info on cryptocurrency. And you don't on stocks. The Congress people do. And they're allowed to trade on it by law. It's legal for them to inside trade, which is crazy. I don't understand how that's possible. I know that's possible. I don't understand why, but it is. And they should have to disclose. Wouldn't that be funny? Then everybody, the second they do a trade, you have to know about it, and then everybody can follow their trades.
Look at Nancy Pelosi's husband just bought Microsoft stocks, and then like 2 days later, it's like, oh, procurement deal with the U.S. Army. I'm not being political here; it's just the truth. Yeah, just a coincidence,
Yeah, everybody, because they're allowed to do that, which is crazy. So, hey, if you haven't liked or subscribed, go ahead and do it, because we're like a couple hundred short. Which right now, if like 1 out of 3 of you who's not subscribed, I'm gonna give away another $100. Okay, so I'm trying to give away a ton of money today, and by the way, the price has gone up 4, 5, 6.5 cents since I started this. While we've been on here, it's gone off 6.5 cents. So this is working. It's positive vibes, and I want to give away another $100 to one single person who's going to win $100. All right, so make sure you subscribe, and when I hit 9,000, I'll give away another $100. That because we're pretty close to that. I've already gotten 1,000 subscribers today.
Remember we said your channel wasn't growing, and it was like 2 weeks ago. Now you just doubled almost.
Yeah.
Guys, the excitement for Dogecoin is there, man. Look at Dave's channel. He's going to be 20K in a week.
These people don't know, because a lot of you guys are new. I have a yacht here because when I get 50,000 subscribers, I'm throwing a yacht party. Like a party. And we'll have a contest. All the OG people will be invited, and whoever can make it, and I'm going to do it either in San Diego or Miami or maybe like Panama. I don't know, wherever we're allowed to travel to, maybe. So literally yacht party at 50,000 subscribers. I might even do some ads, but subscribe and I'll give away another $100. Sorry to stop that, but stop your fake market. It's not fake, Bex Mex. I've given away I don't know, $800 already, I think, over the last couple weeks. So fake you. How about you don't subscribe and you don't make money? No soup for you.
When do you think there's gonna be another pump soon? I get a feeling there is.
I think it's gonna keep doing what it's doing right now, up to maybe back to 40.
Yeah.
Because like I said, the whole technical a technical analysis for this whole thing is expectations were way too high, and none of it happened, right? And so Slim Jim's tweet is not cutting it. And Newegg would have been huge news, like we just said, if they would have done it like or a week. I'm not selling.
Yeah, you're right.
Shit.
No one should sell right now.
No.
You'd have to be crazy.
Yeah. So, all right, let's see if I got this. What else? So, I mean, are you kind of like, you already plan on spending that money?
Oh, me? You're asking
if it
me?
does go down?
I talk
well,
about,
yeah, we're talking.
I talk about it every day. I talk about it every day, guys. I'm buying a farm in Vermont. I'm 100% dedicated to do that. That's why I'm not selling unless it's a complete obvious pumping up. I did that once and I made a little money. But I generally do not sell, even when there's opportunities.
Yeah. I don't. Yeah, I'm gonna.
What are you going
to go up much
on?
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know. It'll just go in my.
There's a guy.
Fund.
There's a guy in your group that I friended. He has double the Doge I do. He has like 400,000. He put a screenshot on his He put a screenshot on your page in your Discord, and he had, I think, what was it, like, I don't know, he had 190,000 in there. Like a few days before that, he's like, yeah, I'm gonna buy a yacht with this. And I'm like, yeah, you'll be waiting a while. 2 days later, he had 190,000 in his account. I swear to God.
Yeah. No, but that's probably what I'll if it goes over $1, if it goes well over $1, like I'm like seriously, I'm gonna look at this in 10 years. I'm like, how much money did I make?
Yeah.
But it's all make because at this point it's all profit. So thank you, Troy. I'll get to your thing in 2 seconds. I was gonna buy a yacht too. I just want to get a boat in the Virgin. Do you prefer to buy and sell for a bunch of little profit chunks or buy the dips and hold for the big potential? I basically priced in pretty early, and I'm just kind of holding on until I get my money. So that's what I've been doing. Because for me, it's been all gravy because I was early enough. So that's what I'm doing. But we do have guys in the Discord that have made a lot of money day trading this. So I don't think there's anything wrong with that either. So some people don't like that because it's buy and hold, but I think it's natural part of.
No, you should make money if there's an obvious opportunity and you know what you're doing. If you know what you're doing, like broker, you could talk with him. He knows what he's doing.
And so if anybody else wants to join us for we could have probably add one more person and get a conversation going. That's fine with me while we're on here. So make it happen.
Dave, what's your cost average? I never asked you.
About 5 cents.
When did you buy? Oh, you bought it at 5, like me.
Yeah. No,
I'm jealous
I didn't hit
of
the 0.002. So.
Oh, I'm jealous.
I'm a
of those
terrible.
people.
And I'm a terrible investor for the most part. So, like, I scoffed at Bitcoin for years. And I was like, oh, you're just gonna lose it, and blah blah blah. Because I hear horror stories all the time. There were so many scams, like in 2009, 10, 11. So many scams going on with Bitcoin, and all kinds of Ponzi pyramid schemes and all kinds of crazy stuff. And it was the same shady people that had done like schemes in like real estate and stuff that were doing the same schemes. And so it really gave me a sour taste. And I'm paying the price now because I probably have a couple $1 million in Bitcoin. So, but I don't. So, and I'll admit it, I was kind of stupid on that. I
remember it too. I remember the first time Bitcoin pumped and Litecoin was at $3. I'm like, I should just buy a couple thousand and just see where it goes. I didn't do it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
We all had that experience.
And I didn't want to make that mistake with Dogecoin. And somebody just said, oh, what was it? A bunch of the biggest whales just sold. It's over. Okay. So the big holders sold, and we're almost at 35 cents. Up from 5 cents. Tell me how that's
Want to hear something funny? I saw YouTube. There's this guy called Teddy. He has like 1 million Dogecoin, and he says, "I'm gonna sell at $1." I saw a YouTube comment today, and the guy says, "We're down because Teddy sold his coins." Dude, it's like 1 million coins. Even if he did sell, what's gonna happen?
I don't
Like,
think your average person. Yeah.
They
I
don't
think they understand how
like,
much money. No.
this is 50 billion market cap. Like, this is a enormous company at this point, like a massive corporation.
Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy. All right. Hold on a second. Talk to the audience for me for a second.
Yeah, sure. Yep, coming. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing today? I'll put it on the live chat. So glad I didn't. Oh, we're at 34.6. So 34.6. So we're about a little more than 10% off, 40 cents. So there's a great chance of going right back up. Guys, last night I had a bad feeling. Broker mentioned this also. When they say you have Doge Day, you think the next day I'm going to pay a lot more if I wait. So everyone would have bought yesterday. So it actually didn't make sense. It didn't make sense from a logical perspective of thinking, oh, I'm going to buy Dogecoin tomorrow and pay extra. So for next time, let's all kind of think rationally about these events. I don't like SafeMoon. People are making money off it. That's all I'm going to say. I don't buy those coins. This BitBoy Crypto talked about it a few days ago. He says it's making a ton of money for the developers, and just be careful with it.
All right. So we have a special guest. My son just got home from school. I'd like to join a second too.
Hello.
I'll talk right. Everybody say hi to Little Dave, even though his name's not Little Dave. So check it out, buddy. Doge had a little problem here, and it went down to about 27 cents. And now, since we started broadcasting, we're right here. Now it's up to 34 cents. That's 7 cents just from positive or whatever happened. But anyway, either way, there's 1,900 people on here right now. So give a like if you like seeing kids involved in investing. The little blue hair over here. So why don't you give a like and subscribe? And what we're going to do, check this out, Rox.
Hello, Rox.
We are going to, if we get to 9,000 subscribers, give away $100. Somebody was angry about that. Free money angry about it. I know. Some people are hard to please. All right. We need 225 some subscribers. So if just like 10% of you hit subscribe, we'll hit that and I give away $100. Look at you, math expert. You should have your own live stream there. All right, look at all the likes you just got. You just got a ton of likes. Yes, he's handsome. He actually does modeling, so he plays soccer. Very good athlete. He got hit in the head twice. So baseball was too dangerous. We figured we'd do something that's less dangerous, like UFC or something. So check out this price. Look at this. So we're going up. We got 34 cents. And we have Ben on. Say hi, Ben.
Hey, how are you?
All right. So Ben's got a ton of money that he's hoping to make on Dogecoin. And we're hoping the price goes back up to 40 or 50. Do you guys hear the kid? Talk for a second, kid. Hello. Oh, no. Oh, talk.
Hello?
Oh, you were muted. Sorry. The kid was muted.
I was muted?
Oh, bummer.
Oh.
He said he had the most sage advice, but he was muted. So I'm sorry you guys didn't get to hear him. He had the secret to how to make money online. And you missed it. Sorry.
And that was big brains. The biggest.
So where we are, we're 34 cents. So what were we saying, Ben?
Listen, even if we get over 35, we consolidate. That's a win, guys. And I was telling them before, like when you have these holidays like Doge Day, why would anyone wait for the next day to pay more? You know, you should just be very skeptical of these holidays when it comes to a price being pumped on an organized day, because why would anyone wait? It just doesn't make
comes early.
logical sense.
Nope. Don't be late to the party. It's musical chairs, right? So, oh look, Mike, do you like these? These what?
These nuts. Got him.
We have the same sense of humor, and he's 10. Yeah.
By the way,
So-
how was
I know.
how was Pennsylvania?
It was great.
Great.
Yeah, it was cool.
Where
Yeah.
were you guys?
We were near Lake Wallenpaupack.
Oh, I love that place.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. The weather was nice and chilly. A little bit. It always rains up there. Anyway.
Yeah. You go out on the lake or too cold?
No, it's too cold. We didn't do much. My dad's birthdays. And then I was trying to do live streams, and that didn't quite work out. So we did some
Yeah.
videos, and he was a hit. He was dancing in the background.
yeah.
So now he likes to get in front of the camera.
That's a good skill to have. It's never good to be camera
Yeah.
shy.
Yeah.
Learn
Yeah.
public speaking. It'll take you far.
He did. What was? I'm still laughing at the. Missed a comment earlier.
Got him.
What was? Oh, he said. He said, "Rocks, are they gonna go to the moon?" He had a catchphrase he was doing. What was it?
What do you mean?
Some of the videos you're like.
Oh yeah, to the moon.
Yeah, that's sweet. I have to record that and put it in my intro.
Put it in your song.
I'll have to do another song.
Got to buy some Dogecoin for me. Living in a world of golden honey. I'm going to hold and buy a yacht. Try and stop me, but it's all for naught. Dogecoin. Doshi, Doshi, Doge.
Alrighty then. All right. Look at this. Look at this person. Oh, nobody says they don't care about you. What a jerk, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, bro. Sometimes you get mean people.
Oh, bro, I misunderstood. Why are you talking about yourself?
Yeah, well, sometimes you get people. Those people you have to ignore because.
Yeah.
All right, bud. We're gonna go ahead and continue talking.
All right.
Thanks for joining us.
I
Everybody
See you,
say
man.
bye. And
Bye.
all right. Take care.
I'll be back around like 7:30.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Bye.
All right, there we go. That was family time. So, does he know who the girl on the bottom left is? No, he hasn't figured that out yet. Well, he's figured it out, but not her out. Yeah.
What do you think the effect of Coinbase will be?
Coinbase, when it happens, but it's not going to happen like today, that's for sure, right? The effect of Coinbase is going to be substantial. But here's the thing. I thought because it would like basically make it easier for everybody to access and trade. But the thing is I kind of, all the press, who doesn't know about Dogecoin at this point? So
Yeah.
yeah, Juan, yes, yeah, Mia Khalifa is invited to the up. I don't know if she'll come. We haven't heard back. So
I think whatever the floor is, add 2 cents for Coinbase, 1 cent for Robinhood Wallet, wherever the floor is. I don't know where that is.
yeah, I don't know what the effect's going to be, but it's going to help a lot, and I'd imagine I think it's good. 20% raise over the long term too. So
They must regret this. My God, how much money are they missing out on? New customers, just so many transaction fees. This is like suicide for them.
all right, so this thing says new one. Thank you for the $5. Thank you. Where can I buy Dogecoin? Robinhood taking too long to review my application. Is Webull a good one? I haven't used it to trade Dogecoin yet. They sent me a thing like 2 days ago, the beta test, the thing, and then they said don't tell anybody. Then they released it. So I can't really tell.
Dave, do they let you take your coins out in Webull? I think it's like Robinhood, where they store it in their own wallet.
I am pretty sure it is exactly like that. I don't think you get.
So go with Binance or Kraken if you. I think it's better to have control of your coins in the wallet.
I use Binance personally. So
I have
and
both.
somebody just asked
Robinhood
when
and
I'm
Binance.
selling. When am I selling? I'm not selling. 10 years I'm selling. I'll buy a yacht. Yep. The beta sucks. They made it hard for you to trade, says IQ Logic. Yeah, they're doing, I guess it's beta still, but they asked me to do it, and then they said, don't tell anybody, and then I saw everybody post to YouTube. I was like, oh, I go. And Fran can't use Binance in Texas, but you probably can't use Webull either to trade Doge. Right? Because the same law applies, I'm guessing. Connecticut either. Can't use Binance. What government is suggesting? Well, some people might use, I guess you the just slightly falling right now. Catching up. Big 6 cents, 7 cents.
we kind of forget about the
spread.
600. We forget about the 600%. Guys, let's keep it. Let's just keep it in context.
Yes. Anybody else want to come on and talk with us? We'll add a third. Anybody wants to come up and tell us their Dogecoin story, when you got in, what you're hoping to see, what you think's happening today, your interpretation. Go ahead and let us know. Join the Discord and hit up Broker, and he will maybe get you on. A whole bunch of it. Now, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm going to ask you that again because in case you're new here, I try and take a large portion of my proceeds that YouTube pays me and give them out as cash during the live streams. So, and I had a video out today that has like 25,000 views, and that's probably going to make me a couple $100. And so I'm giving away a couple $100, and also I got the subscribers. We need 50 more subscribers. So I know you guys can do this. Go ahead and subscribe, because I know that the majority of the 1,657 people right now that are listening to my voice are not subscribed. Go ahead and subscribe. And for our people who have been subscribed for a long time, is it worth it or no?
It's totally worth it. And I'm not being biased.
Thank you. Do I give away the money?
Yes, he does.
And I actually sent it to people. Now, I haven't given away yesterday's money yet. Actually, I think I... But I do get it to you eventually because I do it in bulk. This will be $100. So 50 more subscribes, I'll give away another $100. I just gave away $100 to Melissa Oliver like 30 minutes ago. Go ahead and do this. Doge Democracy from Australia. You want to come on and talk again, Doge Democracy? It's good to have an Aussie voice. For some reason, Aussie voices are like weird. Anybody else feel that way? Not like an angry. Hello from Portugal. What's up, Andre? How's it going? Balls says, don't make me call JG Wentworth to collect the money. That's right. You know, Balls won $25 yesterday. I got it written down right here, man. So you're good. So Ariel Belmare says, I got in around December 13th, followed the tutorial off of Reddit on how to mine Dogecoin. So I ran a program off my netbook to mine via Doge wallet and Script pools. I was able to mint 12,000 Dogecoin. That's pretty cool. Not bad. How much did it cost you to mine that, if you don't mind me asking, Ariel? Like total, like energy, whatnot, whatever cost it might. I don't mine anything. Maybe everyone else would be. Doge Dance from Doge Gang, I think.
From what I've read, you actually mine Litecoin and then just convert it to Doge. And it usually doesn't cover the electricity unless you have a legit mining machine. That is a few $1,000s.
Spartacus, thank you for the 99 cents. I appreciate it, Spartacus 266. All right, we're real close. Just go ahead, give a like and subscribe, and I want to give away this $100. Today's been a fun day for me. Sorry if people haven't had a good. We need 50 people. I'm actually smoking chicken up. I was gonna try and do the live stream out back in my barbecue.
The weather was amazing today. How was it over there?
It's like 82 degrees and sunny with low. About perfect.
Nice.
So Big Boot says, my opinion is that what we saw earlier with the sudden drop to the low 20s was a bear raid. Someone wanted to load up at a discount. Possible. What's up, anti-gubernare? Andre says everything cool. 1 year doing his job from home. I've always worked at home. Nothing changed much for me. I just look out the window and there's less people. Oh, we're gonna actually be on. You're right. Somebody's asking what's gonna happen at 4:20 Cali time, my time. Is it really snowing in Detroit, Tony? That's great. I don't know what's gonna happen because everybody around me, they're always smoking pot all the day anyway. All the soccer dads taking the edibles around. So Ariel says, honestly, I forgot about Dogecoin for the longest part of 2021. Check it here and there. Oh, so I guess it didn't cost much to me. Snowing in Illinois too. Are you kidding? Yes, lady. In like a lion, out like a lamb. Elon's kid doesn't. No, you guys can do that. Subscribe. Literally thousands of people. You can do it. All right. We need 19 people. 19. Not going to look. You guys can do it on your own, but subscribe if you want to win money. I'm going to give away $100 if somebody. Fair is fair. If we hit. Forced to do it. Mike McDevitt said, this is BS. What? Me, the giveaway, the fact that Dogecoin does not hit 69 cents, the fact that Elon Musk hasn't tweeted anything, that Coinbase hasn't added Dogecoin. Which one? So, Ben.
Yes.
How long do you think it's going to take for this to get to 40 cents, and will it ever go to?
Yeah, I do actually. I don't know. I have to see where it goes tonight. It's really hard to tell. We might consolidate here for a day or two, but I think once you reach 40 cents, the consumer confidence is already there. Do you know what I mean? So it's like, if you were to dip too much, it's like, oh, it can go back to 40 cents. So I think we broke new records. If you see the amount of press we had in the past few days, it's hard just to measure where we're at right now. It's really difficult to know. Like the Reddit group for Doge went from 1.2 million to like 1.45. It's really difficult to know how many new people are just holding coins, how many. It's hard to answer. I don't want to just say a number and just lie and pretend I know.
Yeah. Jason
Guys,
wants
anyone
to know,
who,
do you have a Go ahead.
Anyone who tells you they have all the answers, they're just lying to you. Nobody knows. Did anyone expect this to go back to 0.32 from 0.25? We all thought we were going down to 0.15.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm happy it's over 10 cents, quite frankly, because my prediction earlier, before all the I couldn't believe it skyrocketed, and I was actually out of town while it happened. So I missed
Exactly.
I was like, okay, we'll hit 10 cents, and then we'll worry about 15 cents, and then we'll worry about 20. It just went like insane mode, right? So yeah, and I hope people don't get hurt, like if they bought really high, but I do anticipate that this is here and it's gonna keep going up. And whether it happens in a week, a day, or months, it really doesn't matter, because I was anticipating, 20 cents by the end of the year kind of thing. Just, like a conservative expectation. Yeah, that's what I was,
All the professional analysts until 2 weeks ago, they were saying 7 cents in 2023, 9 cents in 2024. All of them were saying that. Anyone who said more than 20 cents was being called, a moon boy. Guys, even when I saw 10 cents, I got the similar reaction to you. I was walking in the park. I just stopped for a minute. I was like, what's going on here? Then I saw 17, then I saw 19, then I saw 27, and I was like, oh, I need to take some money out of 27 or I'm a fool. And then it went up to 45.
Yes. Yeah. It's crazy. And the same people that were like, you guys are nuts. Like, it's not even going to hit 10 cents. And then it goes up to 35 cents. They're like, you guys are nuts. This is, it's like,
you can't you can't listen to like the crypto crowd. Do you know what I mean? Like if you go to Reddit, the cryptocurrency thread, they're all like they hate Doge. They hate everything that isn't Bitcoin. They hate everything that
Yeah.
isn't Ethereum. They're Bitcoin and Ethereum maximalists. But at the same time, they miss just fun. Not everything's about tokenomics. The general public isn't always like studying every aspect of every purchase they make. You just can't look at business that way in general.
No, and it's funny because how much is tokenomics? So if you're being honest, not that much, really. I mean, we could discuss it and everything, but it's just like we're saying with the stock market, the value of the company is loosely attached, right? GameStop's not worth what it's at right now. I mean, come on, it's store in malls, and malls probably won't even exist in 10. So it's hard to the reality and what things are. It's all speculation. All stocks, all currencies, all commodities, it's all speculation. Let's stop pretending that it's not. And sure, you can use tokenomics, but what people are betting on isn't like the tokenomics. What they're betting on is what people think they'll think of the tech of the economics behind tokens, and that's what you're speculating on. It's what you think people are going to think about something. So it's not about what the company's doing. It's what you think people are going to think the company's doing, which is why press announcements make a big deal in stocks and cryptocurrency. And it's funny. It's like, oh, my penny stock cryptocurrency scheme is more legit than yours, right? I mean, it's just they're all speculative. So
no, it's ridiculous. It's just elitist.
Yeah,
it's complete elitism when someone says Bitcoin, Ethereum. Okay, listen, there's room for other things. There's room for other target markets. It's just you can't listen. Yeah. You can't. I think Mark Twain said this. Whenever I'm on the side of the majority, I take a step back and reflect. And that was the side of the majority for 10 years, just Bitcoin and Ethereum.
Okay. The gate on my mic is insane. It keeps dropping out. I got to fix it. Thank you for letting me know, fellow audio person. I did have it set super high, so it wasn't. Let me know if this is big. All right, that should be better. Right? Let me know if it keeps doing it. Thank you for fixing that. Coin Collector wants to know who is short Doge. Was somebody selling contracts? King Segan says, love your channel. I just subscribed. From Nigeria. Oh, cool. Thank you. I have never been to that region, but I'm going to the Middle East, I think, in like 4 or 5 weeks. So that'll be cool. Unpopular opinion. Dogecoin is 100% the people currency. I think even if the whales sell off, you can keep it on a steady progressive incline over the next few. Some of you just said, oh, all the whales sold off and it's done. Well, it's still at 34 cents almost. It's just I don't get it. Yes. Oh, we got to 9,000 subs. I think we did it. I think I have to give away money. Let's check. I'm checking. We did it. We did. Thank you for subscribing. So now, if you want to win money, make sure you're subscribed so you can win. Otherwise, you don't get money. I'll do the giveaway in just a little bit and stop. Okay, we get it, Judas Musk. But if you keep typing it, the bot stops your thing from coming through. Foxyvox, just so you know. Elon never said he was going to do anything. That was something that somebody made up. So that was a rumor that was made up for likes and subs. I didn't make that up. I never even said it was going to happen. So FYI. So I'm afraid that actually enough people believed that I think it hurt the market. Is that possible?
What did you? Sorry, one of your fans just messaged me and I was reading it.
Oh, do you think it's possible that the rumor about Elon having a big tweet coming in was actually enough people believe? You know what I mean? Like thought it was going to happen that it You know.
I think that we went over it just for the new people that came in. I think there was two problems. One that was 420 day, it would look very unprofessional from his part to be, pushing a crypto that was getting out of control on a day like 420. I think he might want to slow it down a little bit so people don't throw their whole life savings in and it looks like a PR disaster for him in case it does go down 10, 15, 20, 30%. And I think the second part was maybe he was planning to do a Tesla announcement saying you could use Doge for Tesla. Maybe. I don't know. But I think with the accident that happened, which, there might be no fault, he probably wanted to seem professional for a few days. He's going to be dealing with regulators for a week or two. He's not naive.
Yeah, maybe he'll tweet something after this, but thank you. Effing hippies, thank you for the $5. I appreciate the tips. You guys are awesome. Thank you. He says, I like Doge and BTC, but one thing I noticed is when BTC mooned, Tesla mooned, wished Dogecoin had same effect. Yeah, but those two companies are intertwined, so financially. The BTC and Tesla, that is. So I think that's why. Dogecoin's its own. This is all us at this point. This 33 cents, which I thought was unthinkable 2 weeks ago, is all us. Sure, there's a lot of new people and there's a lot of press around it, but this is all just everybody jumping in and other people. There's a lot of big money that's probably playing around in here and taking advantage of these dips and people's panic and their paper hands. But those people make everybody money in the long run, the people that just panic and sell. So
guys,
thank you for your service. People who've been selling, because ultimately, unless you
know what you're doing, you have experience in it, just hold. Like, we all make that mistake, and it's just a lesson that you might not need to learn if you're just smart about it from the beginning. Just hold it. We'll be right back to where we were. Like, the amount of press this coin is getting is ridiculous. Yeah. And if it's in a week, it's in a week. What's the difference? You want to lose money now and just not be a part of it next week? It doesn't make sense.
Yeah. So now look at this chart here. And so people knew this day was coming up, right? And I can't even get my thing here. Let me get this. There we go. Right? And so they knew that this day was coming up and several days ahead. So this is the pump. So this isn't like necessarily a derogatory term, but pump and dump. People knew this day was coming. That was the rumor, right? Things might happen, and then the dump. So if you're going to get people excited about something, there's going to be higher trading volume. So you should always be careful about that. Buy on the rumor, sell on the news, and that's what people did because it's just an old saying and it's true. And I hate to break it to everybody, but that's just what people do when they have their big boy pants on. I didn't do that necessarily, but other people are making money off of doing that. And it's not like they're just pumping it on purpose. They're letting everybody else pump it, and then they see what's happening, and then they take advantage of it. And taking advantage of it it's perfectly legal to buy something if you think somebody's going to buy a bunch of it and then sell it when it makes more money. So that's just kind of what happened. So I'm holding. I want it to go up. So that's my position. This is not financial advice, so don't sue me. We have a guest in here. I almost forgot about this, so sorry about waiting. You wait. We have... Oh, I got to get in the room here. We have another speaker, caller, whatever you want to call it in here. And it's E-Diggity. What's up, E-Diggity? Is your mic on?
Yep, it's on. How's it going?
Good. How you doing?
Oh, I'm doing fantastic pretty recently over the past week.
So where are you from? And what are you all about? Let us know. Tell everybody.
Yeah, so I'm pretty much in the Michigan area, so go CMU if you're from that area. But pretty much, I kind of work in a financial institution, so these kind of things are kind of natural to me. I had recently gotten into the stock market game last year, and one of my friends told me about Dogecoin, being the meme last year, and so I was like, oh, I'll put in about $30. So I did. I then invested in some other companies as well. But I didn't really get much of a profit on it. And so I kind of just left it there because it was only $300. I didn't really move any money around. I just kind of left it be and just saw where, I was just waiting to see where it goes. And come January, I saw that Dogecoin had a big spike, January 4th, I believe, 4th or 5th. And, when it jumped up to 5 cents. So then I transferred the 260 some dollars that I had, invested in stocks earlier and just put that all into Dogecoin just to see what would happen. And I've just waited since, and up until right now, I'm up at 17 grand in investments. So it's quite a big jump from $200 to 17 grand. Hoping it gets
Nice.
a lot higher.
Congratulations.
Yeah, congratulations. That's awesome. Yeah, yeah, I wonder how many people in here are in the like $20 to $40 range as opposed to the 5 to 8 cent range. I'm curious to see about that, because we had a lot of people in, and I just made the chart a little bigger for everybody. I'm curious to hear about that. I wonder if people in the audience want to chime in on that. A lot of people, if they bought high, don't want to tell anybody, but I'm just curious because a lot of the people I see in here are familiar names and everything. So, and then I'm gonna give away that money, by the way, in a little bit. Hey Ben, are you on here?
Yeah, I'm here.
Can you two chat just for a minute? My chicken is smoking.
Yeah,
and I
sure.
have to turn the grill off. So
No problem.
funny little break there for me. Yeah,
No problem.
so just
Go
you guys
ahead.
talk for 2 seconds and I'll be back there.
Yep, no problem. What's your name? The other guy in the show?
Yeah, my name's Easton, so kind of like the baseball brand.
Yeah, there's a town next to me called Easton, Easton, Pennsylvania. So what cost average did you buy in at?
I would have bought it around 0.2 of a cent, 0.5 of a cent initially is when I bought it.
How do you know about it even at that point? Like, that's early.
So one of my I worked as teller line, and one of my friends on the teller line just told me about it, and they said, "Oh, it's a pretty good meme. It's kind of like Bitcoin, but it's the Shiba Inu dog." And I was like, "All right, I guess I'll try it out."
That's funny. And so you're up 17,000?
That's correct.
That's nice. I bought in at 5.5, and I did a few trades, and I brought down my cost average to like 4.6 cents, 0.6.
Yeah, I mean it's kind of crazy because recently a lot of people have been asking me, how do I invest in Dogecoin and everything like that, and is it too late? And I was like, it's not too late. In my opinion, of course, I don't want to give financial advice either, but I told him, in my opinion, I don't think it's ever too late. There's always a possibility that it could skyrocket and you could still make a pretty good investment and still a pretty good profit. However, nothing is ever guaranteed. There could be a chance that could go the other way. It's kind of like unknown at this point.
That's life. It's just the truth, though. I'm going for $2 or $3. I don't even care what they say you're a fool. Dude, we're at 40 cents right now. Who would have guessed that? Who would have guessed 5 cents? Who would have guessed 10 cents? We're at 40. Well, 34. Sorry. I mean, I'm going for $2 or $3, and then I'll sell it. And I think it's possible. Why not? There could be it's a Bitcoin with a little bit of inflation. Seems reasonable to me.
Right. If you take a look at how Bitcoin first started going up, it was trading very, very low, and all of a sudden it just spiked up pretty high. There's nothing saying that can't happen to Dogecoin, but there's nothing saying that it will either. So it's kind of like playing the stock market game. You just kind of never know.
Exactly. Don't put your life savings into it. Like, so when people were saying, should I put 10,000 at 0.40? It depends where you personally. That's only you could answer that. If you're gonna miss it, then probably no.
Right. And like another thing to consider is if you did invest early and now you have a lot of money, what I always tell people is if you have life-changing amount of money, like if you have money that would pay off your debts where before you weren't able to, you're able to pay down your credit cards, your loans, or what have you, I recommend it's okay to take a little bit for yourself and start investing in yourself and start, getting your life on track if you are down that downward path, just to make sure that you don't get too sad about if it does drop. You can at least still say that you made a profit from it and that you paid off some debt with it and you had fun.
Exactly. Always invest yourself. Guys, if you want to learn how to trade, learn how to trade. You can make coins without paying for them. You know, you got to know what you're doing with Dogecoin. I tend to stay away from it, but listen, there's people who make coins organically. I have a friend who he trades all the time. He went from 100. He started at 100,000. Now he's at 129,000, and he's just kind of like a newbie who does it occasionally. But listen, it's a big game. I did a short. I got a little cocky the other day. I did a short. Within 2 seconds, I made $250 with 1/10 of my coins.
I'm back.
Hey, Dave.
Hi. Sorry, I had to turn the chicken off. I'm smoking chicken. It's 4:20. It's smoking actual smoke though, Hickory. So look at us. We're at 34 cents. So not too bad. I'd like to see 40 cents, but that'd be funny tonight if it starts skyrocketing, because I think after the shock and all of this ends, then I think we'll probably see a little bit. I think we're going to see this tick up pretty well. So, Bro Moment says, I sold my minivan for this. That sucks. Is it like a soccer van, or is it like a cool minivan, like an old like microbus or something? What would happen if they capped Dogecoin? The price would go way up, I think. So, let me see.
Yeah,
we got.
they said if it's capped, completely capped, the maximum it could possibly go up is $7-8 if everything went correctly. But they're not going to do that. That would just change the fundamental of the coin. So you have to just look at the market cap and then multiply it, and you can see what the price of Dogecoin would be.
Yeah. Okay, so I think I should give away this money. So there's like 1,700 people in here who could win the $100 if you're subscribed, and I don't think all of you are subscribed. So go ahead and subscribe now, and then I'm going to do the giveaway. All right. I don't want you to miss out, but we hit 9,000 subscribers, and mathematically, I have an estimate of how many people aren't subscribed. So don't miss out. Subscribe right now, and then I'll have Nightbot give away the money, and then we'll give away $100. And we had Melissa Oliver win $100 earlier, so let's go ahead and give this money away. And I missed part of the conversation with let's see what we got in here with E Diggity. So did I miss anything? I guess I don't want to catch up in front of 2,000 people, but.
Oh, we were
What do you
just kind
think?
of
What's your
talking
prediction?
about. My prediction is, the day is still young. It is still Dogeday 420. There's nothing saying that something can't happen between now and, towards midnight. Elon Musk could definitely post something. But, kind of like how you talked earlier with, with that accident, he might not be trying to pump it yet, just to kind of, consider himself first, just to make sure that people aren't upset by it, that he's pumping Dogecoin, although one of his vehicles had one of those accidents that, still unclear what happened. Yeah. So that's that. Yeah. We're not gonna hear anything from him today. I don't think. I think that's just a done deal, and I don't think that we're all suffering necessarily from him not, because I don't even know what he could have tweeted anyway. So that would have made a difference.
He causes a little bit of chaos, like when it just pumps up to like 6. I remember it'd go from 5 to 6.6, and then it'd go right back down. And exactly what happened. A bunch of retail traders got excited, his fans got excited, and then they just lost a bunch of money. It's a little. It'd be better if he just came out and said you can now use Doge for Tesla. You can now do. I don't know, the memeing and the trolling. Listen, it's getting a bit old.
Yeah. I want to.
I'm
mention,
sorry if that's not a popular opinion.
I think people are kind of coming around to, you can't just hype everything all the time. So I think people are coming around to seeing that.
Look at Cuban. He comes out with action, and that's what we need. He talks 5% the amount of as Musk, and he actually did it much more if you really think about it. With the Mavericks, first he takes it as a currency, then he says last week we'll keep it on the balance sheet. That's huge.
Yeah. And they made pretty good money on that too, didn't they? Those tickets cost 9 times more.
Yeah, but I think true. I didn't think of it that way. He said he had like $150,000 worth of Doge. Now he has a little over 800,000.
Yeah. So not too bad. I think I missed somebody that paid in a super chat. I forget the name. It was $5. I'm sorry, but I don't know how to find that again up top. So I apologize for missing that. But thank you so much for the tip. I really appreciate the chat revenue. It helps me give away more money. So all right, we're gonna do the $100 giveaway. Make sure you're subscribed. Last chance, or do it while we're doing the thing. But just please subscribe so that you know how to get the money. Okay. So I'm going to pick a phrase. And look, I think a bunch of you just subscribed, so that's good. I'm going to pick a phrase, and we're going to do the giveaway. We'll do it now. So, also, why am I giving this money away? Because YouTube pays me. And I got a ton of people in here, so every 1,000 subscribers, I give away $100 to one person. So, I just figure I'll give the monetization that YouTube's paying me, a good portion of it, and hand it back to you guys. And you subscribe, you enjoy what we're doing, and we get crazy. We were on this for 7 hours yesterday. I'm losing my voice right now. We got into some crazy stuff besides Dogecoin. We were talking about aliens and all kinds of weird stuff. And we really had a good time doing it. And so it was really trippy. We did it late into the night. So we talk about Doge. We talk about other financial stuff. I'm a digital marketer. So sometimes we'll even talk about that kind of stuff. So I got all kinds of info to know how I make a living. I share that with people because it's not as hard as you think to make really good money. So sometimes I'll have that kind of stuff in there. So it's not just all Doge. It's really just how to make money. And there's techniques you can use to make money, whether it's investing, being smart about it, or trying to run a company or start a business. There's ways to be smart about it. And it's the tools and patterns are there. They're not that different from they're not that different from each other. So, all right, here we go. I'm going to pick a phrase and we're going to say, this is going to be a little bit different. Okay. There's an apostrophe in this. So make sure you type it correctly. Capitals don't matter. This is for $100. Okay. And there's an apostrophe in it. Capitals don't matter. And it's 3 words. Type it exactly like it is. The Nightbot, will take you out of the running to win if you type it more than once. So just type it once. Okay. Capitals don't matter. Type it once. It's Dave's Doge Den. There's an apostrophe for Dave's. Okay. So just type it the right way. Make sure you follow the example. Dave's Doge Den. There we go. There you go. It's Dave's Doge Den. Because that's the name. That's what the logo says, at least. And guess who I am? I'm Dave. And we've got E. Diggity and Ben J talking to us, which I really appreciate you guys helping. I really appreciate you guys coming on and helping lessen the load. I'm literally losing my voice right now. So.
Yeah, it's not easy to talk for a few hours straight every day.
7 hours yesterday.
Yeah, it's tough.
That's kind of crazy. I don't think I could talk for that long either.
Yeah. So, and this one's not gonna be as long. So we're gonna have fun while we're here and give this money away and figure out what's going on with this.
It looks bullish. I don't know.
Yeah.
We're slowly creeping back up.
Yeah, we get 35 cents in
it.
a second here. Yeah.
And this is like much healthier than just like the spikes we were seeing before. That was just out of control.
Mm-hmm.
So what's kind of interesting is I watched a live video earlier, and Webull and Robinhood actually had price discrepancies of around 2 cents, if not just a little bit more. So that was
Happens all the
interesting.
time. Happens all the time. Robinhood is always a little above. Binance is a little below. It's the weirdest thing.
Yeah, and it's just crazy because, to some people, that 2 cents difference is quite a lot. Like for me, I believe I think that's just $2,000, I believe, something like that.
It's huge. I mean, I went to one of Musk's tweet. I went to make a sale. I did a market sale. I got a little cocky. It was 6 cents for, and I made a sale and I got 6 cents won. Because their prices are just off with Robinhood. I have a Robinhood and Binance account. Then I told my brother, I was like, go and
Thank
make
you,
a sale
Ronnie.
at 6.4.
Thank you.
Went back up to 6.4. He got 6.2. You can't even sell you have to do limit orders.
Ronnie just gave me $2. Thank you. He says E Diggity. It's Ron Diggity. Ronnie Double Digs. So thank you, Ronnie. Sorry.
That's awesome.
I think we crack past 35. It starts cranking up towards 40, I think. That's my short-term prediction here.
My short-term prediction will be that I think it's going to hit $1 by the end of the month, at least.
Whoa.
That's just my prediction. If it continues the upward trend that it has this month, then I think it's very possible.
I think we need to consolidate somewhere for a little bit. Just my gut feeling. It's possible. No, it really is possible to hit $1 at the end of this month. I'm not like saying it's truly plausible, but I saw some FX Street, the analysis people. One of the guys says 80 cents is likely on like a super pump if it were to happen.
Here's the crazy thing. Oh, go ahead.
I was just saying, it's because it's pretty crazy because we'll never truly know what could happen because, we didn't quite expect it to jump from 5 cents to the, to where it is now in just a week. So, nothing's out of the question. I think, of course, anything beyond $1, $2 would be a little bit out of scope, but definitely I think we would be close within that, like you said, that 80% or that 80 to $1 range.
Even the founder of Cardano, who was bashing Doge in that video the other day, he's like, when is it enough? 50 billion market cap, 100 billion, 150 billion, 200 billion. What's going to happen then? He's like kind of acknowledging that it could get to $2 in his video.
Yeah, and I don't see how Coinbase doesn't add Dogecoin. Was it number 4 right now?
They're doing the Rosetta coding, and Doge has volunteers, so they just do not move quickly. It's just a bunch of volunteers on Reddit. They hand out work to people on Reddit. They say, we need help with this. We need help with that. And, you're just not going to have the coordination or the you won't have speed with that method of just volunteers. They have to start a
35
foundation.
Cents. Yeah, I just don't see how they skip out on the third or fourth largest coin right now. So
they're pulling their hair out. You're a businessman, you know it. They're pulling their hair out in the boardroom right now.
Think about how much money they've lost just on the last 7 days.
It's tens of millions. Potential. And think of all the people who are getting to crypto on Doge, and then they're going to go into other cryptos. It's like, whoa, that's a threat to your business. That's an actual strategic threat. If Coinbase are smart, they say, we'll write the code. They have their programmers. They should tell the Doge volunteers that they'll finish it if they were smart. But I guess there's a pride issue with that.
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, they're updating, but it's just if I was Coinbase, I would I'd help them along, because if you're missing out on tens of millions of dollars, I mean, is it that hard to pay somebody $80,000 to help?
Exactly.
You know what I mean? To get somebody to rush order.
Exactly. And what intellectual property do they have? They're no different than Binance. Their business is always at risk. There's no patent there. They're just the oldest guy on the block.
First to market. Yep.
Exactly.
Yep. First to market.
They're vulnerable.
It's important.
This is not Microsoft Windows by any means. Coinbase.
So if you're just coming in here, we're giving away $100 because I hit a threshold of subscribers. I want to give the money back. Well, some of it, a little bit, a good portion of it back to you guys. So I'm going to give $100 away to one person. And if you type in Dave's Dogeday, but only do it once, I'm going to give you a minute or two now to keep entering, because we somehow have only had 20% of you type it in, or a bunch of you typed it in more than once and got removed. And that when you type it in, Nightbot regulates, sees that you've entered. We just got a bunch more. And then you're eligible to win, and it picks it by random. So Dave's Dogeday with the apostrophe is how you spell it. So there we go. We got more people in here now doing it.
I know.
So go ahead
put it
and enter.
In quotation marks. Does that matter? They're putting it in quotation marks, but they're also doing the Dave's Dogeday with the strings.
I don't think the quotations works. So we just had like 30, 40 more people enter. So that's good. So go ahead. I'll give away $100. I want you to win. Make sure you're subscribed. I can't say how important this is. Make sure you're subscribed, because you want to get your money. Okay. And I want to give it to you. I want to send you the money. I really do. Because when I get subscribers, I get money, and then I give away more money. It's like a Ponzi scheme that everybody wins at. And then at 50,000 subscribers, I'm throwing a yacht party, because I'll make a bunch of money anyway at 50,000 subscribers. So it's a win-win for everybody.
You gonna start a
I'll give you
Patreon?
guys a couple minutes. Eventually, I'll get to it. Like I don't need the money, but if I have 50,000, then this becomes, you make good money in the finance realm with 50,000 subscribers. I mean, there's guys that like in our realm that have 100,000, right, and 80 that post 2-3 times a day. They have to be making, I don't know, 600 to $1 million a year just on the YouTube ads. So that's how much you make.
How many subs?
So
How many subs would someone like that have?
these guys probably have 70 to 100. Like, look, put it this way. I have 9,000 right now. So yesterday I put out a video and it made like $68, right? I had 6,000 subscribers when I put that out. So now times that, right? And then and if the video is 8 minutes, that's more like $200 in ads. Just from YouTube, not with Patreon or anything. So if you times that by 10 on the low end, if it's an 8-minute long video, because you make like 3 times more money because there's more ads in it. Just, I know this is YouTube talk, right? But so 64 times 3 on a low end, so 200 times 6, that's $1,200 a video putting out. So if you put out 2 videos a day, that's $2,400, and you do it at 365. That's $900,000 a year just from YouTube, not the Patreon, not the Webull accounts, nothing. So there's money to be made, and so that's why I'm giving all this away. I get 50,000.
Yeah, that's awesome.
I have a full-time side business at that point, so I'm not afraid to admit it. I mean, I like talking about this stuff, and if I'm making money, why wouldn't I just give it back to people? So there's other guys making a shit ton of money on people, and they're not giving any back. So, but that's their prerogative. I'll keep it all after 50,000, maybe. That's what the yacht party's for. It's like, thanks. All right, last chance. Dave's Doge Den with the apostrophe in it. Let's go.
So what are you guys' prediction for after today with the stock price? Because a lot of people were expecting it to jump up just because of its Doge Day, but what do you think will happen? Come midnight, come tomorrow. Do you think people are going to be apt to sell, or do you think people are going to still hold on just like they had been previously?
I think you make a good point of a question for that. And here's what's most likely going to happen. Real talk. Thank you, Christian Falcon, for the $1.99. I really appreciate that. I think what's going to happen is people are waiting around. A lot of people, the panicky people, already sold today. And that's what the dip was. Those were the panicky people. So then tomorrow there's going to be more realistic people that go, you know what? I'm going to trim some of this. It's still sitting at 35 cents. I didn't think it would get this high this quick. I'm going to get some of my money out. The people who bought in the 30 to 40 cent range, they'd be foolish to sell. So they'll probably hold unless they're super scared of losing a bunch of money and they did something crazy like, put their kids' college fund into this, which do not do that. Don't put your life savings into something. Only invest money that you can afford to lose so that you don't ruin your life. And I think that it'll dip a little bit because of those people, and then it'll start going back up again. So it'll consolidate, and that's a good thing for the long term of this. Consolidating at 29 cents is not bad at all. And then you'll see it go march up until 40 again, I think. What about you, Ben?
Yeah, I totally agree. A lot of people, sold today, but I think how it takes a few days to open a platform account. Like when you go on Robinhood, when you go on Webull, when you go on Binance, it usually takes a few days for a lot of people. So remember, we still have buyers who want to come in, who are waiting for their trading accounts to be approved. This has only been a few days of press. This pump isn't that old. So we have more coming in every day, and there's just so much press. It's on the conscience of the planet. I saw an article in Hebrew the other day. I saw one in German. I saw the India Times. They had an article. You guys, there's over 1 billion people who live in India, by the way. Yeah, and they have money, some of them. This is just going to keep growing. It's on too many people's consciousness. It's like a Nike symbol, It would have to be like something crazy for that company to end, because it's just so much brand recognition. Is my point.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, Eric, for the $2. Thank you. 3K Doge at 32 cents. Scared to leave. Yeah, why leave? Just let it go. Let's see what happens. I mean, I'm not financial advice, but that's what I would do. So, All right, last
Yeah.
chance. Dave's Doge Den. To enter for the $100, I'm giving back to the community here. Dave's Doge Den with the apostrophe. So there. Last chance. Type it in if you want to enter to win the $100. Dave's Doge Den. Look at this. The Ancient Diamonds has just been calling us idiots and delusional morons. Interesting. Tell that to my bank account, motherfucker. All right. Dave's Doge Den. Dave's Doge Den with the apostrophe. There you go. Perfect. What's up, Brazil? Leonardo? Yeah. See, some people are saying they're going to sell at the end of the day, so maybe that dip will be a little, the correction or consolidation will be a little bit bigger. Only enter it once if you're new in here, because otherwise it takes you out of the drawing. And make sure you're subscribed. For God's sakes, you don't want to get picked to win $100 and then you don't have any way to get the money. So make sure you're subscribed. Thank you, T Black, $5. Those level 1 day traders said screw stocks and hijacked. Oh, let me see. Hijacked Doge today as well as yesterday. I don't mind a pump. It goes up and down. We've been on this trip before. And by the way, this is the nature of trading in general. It just always does the same thing. So, all right. So people are typing in Dave's Doge Den because I'm giving $100 away because I got 1,000 subscribers. And believe it or not, we are actually close enough to where if about 34% of you are not subscribed and you subscribed, I'd give away another $100. So just so you know, if you want me to do it again. All right, I'm going to do this drawing right now. You guys ready? Last chance. Sorry, I've been saying that. I'm going to go pick a winner right now. Good luck, everybody. In 10 seconds, I'm letting the thing catch up. Here we go. By the way, thanks for coming in, subscribing. We talk about all kinds of stuff, Dogecoin, and on the bad days, we talk about other things as well. Even on the good days, we talk about all kinds of crazy stuff and fun stuff. And we like to have a good time. We like to have callers in, and we get weird sometimes and talk about some weird shit. So we like to have fun. Thanks for subscribing. If you did it twice, you might be disqualified, and if you do it 3, you're for sure disqualified. I think it's 3 is the magic limit. All right, here we go. Picking it. Roll it. Maxwell Richling, you have won. All right, email me. Go to my About page. Maxwell, if you hear me out there, go to my About page and email me and let me know all your info, and I will send that money to you. It's $100. And by info, I mean if you want Venmo, PayPal, or Zelle. So the machine picked you. Mehmet says, all right, everyone unsubscribe from this egotistical idiot. See you guys later. I don't know how me giving away money makes me egotistical. But you are correct. I am egotistical because I do have a live stream. And you can't be shy if you have a live stream.
I think he might have had a bad day. Might have sold at 26.
Yes. Yeah.
To anyone who sold, no hate, but it sounds like someone who's having a pretty bad day.
Ruben wants to know why pay it that way, pay in Doge. Because I'm not sure I can write off the expense if I pay in Dogecoin. I don't know that, and it's easier for me to track. So, and I don't pick who wins. Nightbot does. So Maxwell, are you listening? Say hello. Congratulations. Hey, Bluey 2010. For all the haters saying sell, I'll be drinking your tears when Doge hits $1. Doge to the moon. I like that. I like that a lot. I like that. What do I think about Safe Moon? I don't. Ben has an opinion on that. But, you know, this week we're going to try and get the guys to explain what they do. All right, Maxwell, perfect. Just email me. Congratulations, buddy. I'll get that to you in the next day or two. I have ones from yesterday I still need to pay, and ones from like two $10 ones from last week. So sorry if I'm late on that. But I'll get your stuff. Congratulations. And thanks for all the likes and subscribes. I appreciate it. Stay tuned for all the videos and stuff. So anything else you guys want to add? Anybody have any questions for anybody up here? Anybody?
I guess I'll just say it again for the people who maybe haven't heard earlier, because I know you were actually away from your computer at the time. But for me, what I am thinking about is, if you have a lot of money now than you did before because you were an early investor. So if you have enough money to change your life, pay down debts, pay down loans, anything you need, it's okay to be a little selfish and take some of that back. But for me personally, I'm going to keep holding some in there. But I do have a threshold limit that I know that when I hit it, I know that I'm going to sell a little bit of it just to keep myself safe and also protect my initial investment as well.
All right.
So pretty much, yeah. So pretty much if you have life-changing amounts of money and, you're worried about it going down, I personally feel like that there's a good chance for Dogecoin to continue rising in the future. However, it's just something that I'm personally going to be keeping a close eye on just in case.
I saw, sorry for interrupting. I saw a Reddit guy today. He had 4 million Doge, and during the dump, he went down like a couple $100,000. I think it was $400,000. I was like, this guy has balls of steel. If I had 4 million Doge, I think then I would probably let some go.
Well, maybe he had a lot of, maybe that's not that much for him kind of thing. So like,
I think he was one of those guys who, no, I think he's one of those guys who bought in at 0.0000. Like, I don't know. He might be rich, but I you see my point. He might be one of those classic, I'll buy a couple million. I was like, this guy, he's tough.
Yeah. So Pasta says, Dave, is it more difficult to sell when you're up substantially or down substantially in your opinion? I don't sell when I'm down because then I lose money. And okay, I've been burned once by a company that went bankrupt, and then that's it. So all the other ones rebounded. So literally, like say in the 2008 crash, right? Because this is all the same stuff. Say the people who never sold their stock in that crash all made a ton of money like 5 years later, right? So now 5 years seems like a long time, but you're in the investing game. And if you're day trading and you lose a bunch, sure, maybe you sell for a stop loss. When I was doing the overnight and I was trading like mid cap options and stuff, futures, I'd be down a couple thousand and I would cut the cord sometimes, but I would also make thousands on other days when the trading and the up and down just killed me. Like I did not enjoy it at all because of that reason. Like you might be down 7,000, 8,000 and then it recovers and then you only lose like 1,000, or maybe you go up. It goes from 6,000 down to like 4,000 up. And that would happen in like in an hour. So that sucked and I didn't like that. That's why I don't do it anymore. But it just depends on what you're willing. You have to have that number. Like how much am I willing to lose? And if you bought low and you can't think of it as like, well, I'm owed this money because it went at this point one time. You have to think about it rationally, and you can't be like, all right, so I made $100,000 or whatever, or I made $10,000 because it hit 40 cents. You didn't make $10,000. It just hit that point at one point. Whatever it is now is what you're making if you sold it right now. So you got to think about what's going to happen in the future. Now, I'm not guaranteeing anything, but I tell you what, if you're going to wait 5 or 10 years, all these, well, not all of them, but Bitcoin and Dogecoin, I think you're going to see them way higher. And it just matters on how long you want to sit and all that, so see them. I've been hearing things about fake news here. So there was a bunch of fake news
Dogecoin will be,
and so
Dogecoin will be in the dollars in a few years. I mean, that's a guarantee. There's just going to be so much inflation. People are just going to be looking for places to place their money in anything. All the cryptos, the Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, they're going to blast. I mean, in a few years, that's a guarantee. But the question is, everyone, we have too many people thinking in a binary of win, lose. I'm down $100, I lost. I'm down $50, I lost. I'm a little in the red. You really have to move past that binary of it just being 100% losing or 100% winning, and just you have to be a little more rational about it, I think.
Yeah. And no, it's not going to hit $1 today. Miles Grinnell says, yeah, I don't think so either. Matt says,
Yeah,
$1.99. Thank you so much for the tip. He said he just sold it 34 cents. Thoughts? I don't know. It depends on where you bought it at, I guess. I would, like I said earlier, I recouped my original investments when it hit 40 cents. So
How much could you really make unless you just want to get out completely right now? It looks like we're going up, maybe a little down, but it just depends what your goals are. Can't answer.
Yeah. But I've got the rest of it just sitting here and riding. So, and I'm riding for a long time. So none of this bothers me because of that. Because I know that my sell date is years from now, and so none of it bothers me. I don't miss the money. I won't miss the money, and maybe I make yacht money. That's what I'm hoping for. Maybe I can't afford the cook. Maybe I can't afford the full-time captain on the yacht. But hey, I'm okay with that.
Yeah, I told them. I told these guys before, $2-3, I'm out of here. It'll be nice not to check Robinhood anymore. Just move on. For me, listen, I don't know. Everyone's different.
If I still had a lot in Dogecoin and it hit $1 or hit $4 or $3, I would definitely personally take a little bit out. Like I said earlier, I would take just enough to make my life comfortable because, if I have the amount of coins that I have now, I have 51,000 coins right now. If I had that same amount, it'd be substantially a lot of money and life-changing. But at that point, I would make sure that I took some out, paid off all my debts, start changing my life, and made sure I lived comfortably on the off chance that it does dip a lot. Just so that way I still have some takeaway from it. So that's why I just recommend for people that, if you are one of those people that invested early, for around $300 in total, and now you're up.
How's it going?
About 18 grand kind of right now. Start assessing your life and seeing what do you need, what kind of debts do you have? What kind of debts could you pay off with the money that you have right now if you sold? Just kind of assess your life and just make sure that make sure you get out at a good time if you are one of those people that doesn't want to hold on to it for so long.
I have no problem with debt personally. I personally don't. I'm not bothered by it. I'd rather have debt than have cash sitting around nowadays. But yeah, it depends on the person. If you have like super high interest credit cards, those definitely have to go. But if you're talking about like a student loan with a low interest rate, it just depends. Doge might, make a way bigger return than them paying that off. I'm not saying it will.
Or a 2% mortgage.
It just depends. Exactly. No, listen. With the mortgage rates right now, you take a mortgage. You don't pay for a house all cash.
Nope. Or a car. But that's just me.
That's correct. No. Also, no. I totally agree with you. I don't have a problem with the whole like debt slogan. It just depends on what it is. If we're talking about a payday loan, yeah, you stay away from that. If you have Dogecoin and you have a payday loan out, yeah, go pay off that payday loan. That will kill you in the long term.
Yes, it will. Wow. All right, so I don't know. Should we keep this going? We got a lot of people in here. We got 1,400 people in here. I don't know if I should let this bad boy run or what. It's been almost 2.5 hours. Should I do a marathon or I don't know. It's a lot of people in here. So hey, don't forget to subscribe. We get nutty on these live streams, and I also put up videos and tips and all kinds of neat stuff. And I give away money. So I'm just checking the subscriber thing again. Okay. So probably not going to give away another $100 today unless, I don't know, 25% of you subscribe that are in the room right now. And if you did, I'd give away another $100. Just going to put that out there. Maybe tomorrow. All right. Justice for Doge. There we go. So it's been frozen here at 33.5 cents. I don't anticipate. Somebody asked me if it's going to go to 69 cents today without an Elon Musk tweet, and I'm going to say probably not. Not today. So, and the reason this is all. Go ahead.
I think 52 cents was the original target by some analysis for today. They were looking at 52 cents, and we obviously went the other direction.
Yeah. 50 cents isn't ridiculous, but we'd have to have some big news, I think, to push it up. Because expectations were not met, and when the expectations aren't met, people become apathetic, and they become angry or unhappy, and then they sell. So I think that's pretty much what we're looking at today. It's what I anticipated. It's what I talked about on last night's live stream into the midnight hours. Is what, get in early if you're going to get in, and that way you'll be safe no matter what it does, because you'll buy a little bit less and you'll be able to get a discount. And if all the things that people were saying don't come through because they were rumors, Coinbase listing, even though they didn't, they literally gave a list of like 2025 altcoins they were going to possibly add, and they weren't on the list. So because the coding's not ready for it. So Coinbase wasn't going to happen. Elon Musk tweet. I don't know what he could have tweeted. And was it like, oh, Elon's going to make an announcement, he's going to use Dogecoin to buy all of his rockets, or what? Like, I don't know what announcement could have been made that would make it go up, past $1 for sure. So
only Tesla, only like a purchase type thing. Like, we're taking this as a coin. Any of these like meme things he does, it pushes us up like a couple cents, and we go right back down.
Yeah. So, let's stay off the politics in the chat, because nobody wants to hear about that, really. If you did, you'd be on a different live stream, I think, right? So, thank you. All right. Yeah, we can stay away from the politics. There's a spot for that. It's not in the Dogecoin. Now, if you want to talk about aliens or pyramid schemes, we can talk about that.
I look at the wallets of there's all these Dogecoin pyramid schemes on all over the internet. They say there's cloud mining, where you can invest in a mining operation. They take the money, they pay early investors, and they shut down the site after a few months. I look at their wallets, and they have millions of dollars in them. I look at the wallets of Bitcoin scammers. They have millions in them. I mean, it's you guys got to be careful.
Yeah, here's just a warning, because we have a lot of people in here right now, like almost 1,500 people, I think. So, we need to warn you about the video that comes out, and it looks like they're offering to give us your Dogecoin. They do it with Bitcoin too, right? And a couple other coins. Give us your Dogecoin, and we'll return a certain amount to you. Those are always a scam. They're never real. And also the Elon Musk people that are faking to be Elon Musk on Twitter. So don't send money to anybody ever that asks for it on the internet, as a general rule. Okay. Unless you want to send money to me, that's okay. I'll take that money. But you can do it through the chat here. I don't even ask for a Patreon, but I should probably add that. Or you can go on my OnlyFans to get private pictures of me in a Speedo. I don't have anybody that's signed up for some reason. I don't get it, but I'm just putting that out there. So we're at 32 cents, almost 33 cents. And, we gave away $265 today, I think. So I'm super stoked about that, being able to give that money out. I like doing that. But look out for those scams, okay? Edgar, what are you laughing about? Ali and Edgar are laughing about my OnlyFans account. How dare you? How dare you? As if. I have a six-pack underneath this beer belly somewhere.
So it's interesting. I just saw on Twitter, Axe, like the Axe body spray company, they just posted 2 hours ago, if it gets to $1, we'll make it happen. # Dogeday, # Doge420, and it's a picture of, one of their sprays going to the moon with Dogecoin on it, or with Doge on it. So it's kind of interesting.
Yeah, we spoke about it. They're all going to want to go viral, starting today, tomorrow. They're all going to want their day in the spotlight. Every little corporation, it's just easy followers, easy publicity.
Yeah. Fran, I did not see Matt Wallace's tweet. I have been following Matt today. What's he claiming now? What's going on? What's Matt's tweets? Still a big week here. It's up 200+% just in the week, right? So, since even before the 5-cent days. And join the Discord. Broker just put the link in there. We have a lot of action going on in the Discord now, so. And subscribe if you haven't already there. Long-term thoughts on Doge. I think it's going towards $1 eventually, and today was a little bit of a setback, but kind of expected with all the hype that came from it. And the rumors, none of the rumors were true. And then a couple of surprise things came in, but they got buried under all the other things of people were guessing were going to happen. The next big thing that's going to happen is Coinbase is going to list this coin. They have to once they get the programming done. So that's what's going to happen. So Ben is asking, why is it down today? Just came in the room. Because none of the rumors occurred and expectations weren't met. And so people got discouraged, and some people took some profits. Some people have paper hands and don't have a set of cojones, and they sold. And then the rest of us are just sitting here waiting for it to go back up. But good news, it's around 33 cents right now, and it was 5 cents like 9 days ago. So think about that. My opinion on Robinhood, I don't use it, so I don't have an opinion on it. That's my opinion on Robinhood. All right, I'm going to take a little break. So you guys want music, or do you guys want to keep talking? I don't care if you guys keep talking or you want music on. What do the people in the audience want? Because I'm going to take a break here for a little bit. I'm not going to turn it off. I'm going to take a little break. So should we keep talking? Or should we... I'm going to take a break.
I know.
Yeah, so... Because I have to eat that chicken yet. I got to eat my chicken I made.
Yeah, let's play music for him.
Yeah. We'll play some music. There you go. And I'll be back in a little bit after I get some food in me. And you guys can chat amongst yourselves in the chat. So
See you guys.
all righty. All right. I'll see you guys in a little bit. I'll be back. Take care. Music. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll give more money away if we hit the next marker. Forgot to talk about that. I'm like 400 short, but if we get another 400 subscribers, I'll come back and give another $100 away. So go ahead and subscribe. I'll be back after I eat some food. May the Doge be with you. This dude is a nerd.
Me?
No, me. Oh, maybe you. I don't know.
Me?
Yeah. All right, let's see.
Are they trying to insult you or being funny?
Some people are just angry or they have small penises. I'm not sure. What's up, everybody? I am going to actually shut it on down and come back later tonight if there's any big news changes. I really appreciate everybody coming in today and hanging out. We got a crap ton of new subscribers, and I just want to let you know that we do this almost every night, and sometimes we do late night ones, and we have a thing called Tinfoil Hat Night, where we talk about all kinds of crazy stuff, conspiracy theories, aliens, all kinds of stuff. I need to get some sleep. Yes, I do. I need to rest my voice as well, because I was up. I did this 7.5 hours last night. This is almost 3 hours for this one. So I really appreciate all the new subscribers, and I really appreciate tremendously all the people who were in the beginning with me when I had 1,000 subscribers. And so I love giving the money away. Thank you, Obi-Wan Kenobi, and all the old school folks. If I launch again tonight, that's possible, but I'm going to go spend some time with my son and eat some food. So I really appreciate it. Everybody, take care. Don't worry about the dips. Hold on for dear life. And we'll probably all make some money in the long run. All right, everybody?
Guys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. Oh, don't forget to hit that like button and hit that juicy subscribe button.
You heard the kid. Don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, I'll see you guys later.
This will be in your bed tonight.
Thanks, Wall Street pickers. Tomorrow, maybe we'll handle some other coins as well. Adios. See you on the moon.